What's up, everybody? Let's get going on TikTok, YouTube. Say, it's my birthday. Say, it's my birthday. Say, it's my birthday. All right. I think we're live on TikTok and YouTube as usual. Maybe a Twitch in there too. Don't know. Let me go ahead and see if we see it. Visibility. Yes. Let's go over here. Go over there. Good morning to everybody. It's my birthday. It's my uncle's heavenly birthday. Uncle Benny. Good man, good man. He died a couple of years ago. Super nice fella. My dad's dad. It's my birthday. Say, it's my birthday. All right. Now, are we live in New York? No, not New York. I believe so. Now, I do not see TikTok yet. Give me 1 second for TikTok. We are the only trademarked, officially listed by the United States government, trademark trading system in the world. Trademark trading system? Yeah, that's right. Trademark trading system. Issued to me and my wife for the Safe Trade System and all of its indicators. We have also what's called a patent pending. Some of you don't realize that's a legal thing too. NDA protected. If you guys don't think I have the means or the wherewithal to prosecute, if you try to steal anything about this system, you're 100% wrong. Will defend this as if it's one of my children. It's my birthday. So please keep that in mind the next time you think something silly. If you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. If you do the safety trade system long enough, I don't know how long that is for each one of you, you will become a consistently profitable trader. Also, hey, I think we're live on TikTok. Yay. There we go. Also, please understand, legal disclaimer, not financial advisors. No one else is with the system. I'm not. No one is. Do your own due diligence. Trade only demo like I do. You're an adult. Make your own decisions. Willing to trade the green up arrow and red down arrow. Please type yes if you understand those things. Then we're going to go on to our sniper rifle. It's so fun creating these little offshoots. We have perfected, other than adding in take profits for you guys, the signal service. 100% happy, and it's taken 1 year to do. Fuck, that's a long time. So we have to tidy up a few things. Welcome everybody on TikTok. What's up, Gary Ramundo? Jones 808. What's up, Mike? Good morning, Guy Burger, and God bless Orlando Walters and Guy Burger and everyone listening and watching. Good morning, Bradley, Taraya, Blue Tide Acrylics. Thank you for the yeses. JTF6. Thank you, Taraya, for the yes. Good morning, JTF6. Say, It's my birthday. All right. What I'm looking at right here is something pretty cool. We have a system, in my regards, perfection. In my opinion, absolute perfection. Couldn't get any more perfect. It's gorgeous, it's colorful, it's accurate, it's amazing. Okay? It's my birthday. Created it, perfected it. You guys can get it for $575 for the year. Utterly a steal, ridiculously cheap. I mean, for what it does, it should be anywhere 10, I would say 100 times that amount. But anywho, it should be at least 5,000, 10,000 minimum. That should be like a month. But at any rate, so I give it to you guys for $575. Perfection, trades unbelievably great. You guys still had problems with it because I don't know why. It is, I guess, a learning curve. So to help speed up your learning curve, I created the sniper, this thing down here. Sniper. Sniper, no sniping. Some people want to say it's the greatest trading tool ever invented by mankind. I wouldn't argue that, but I would like to point out that it comes from the BOK, the BOK indicator. I separated out the BOK 2 lines, made it 3 lines. You're going to notice a huge correlation when you start getting into this. When there's a BOK break, the blue line dips all the way down. But at any rate, so that's that. So I created the sniper to help you all see things clearer, and it was huge success. Ungodly successful. Then what? Then I invented the signal service for those of you who are still having a learning curve trouble. And we have our first time signal. I'm so excited. We have our first Ricky Bobby trade. At any rate, so we had a signal service created. Perfected that over the last year. We are tidying up a trading to the blue line signal. And then this thing, which we're talking about today. And then we'll see about Transformer, Optimus Gold will be developed in the year 2025. It becomes self-aware. I love Arnold. I love T2. Terminator 2 is one of the best movies ever made. But the point being is, I would say within the year, we should have an Optimus Gold. Not going to go into exactly what that is. You guys can interpret that any way you want. But this sniper rifle is going to be an extremely handy tool for a lot of you. What you're looking at is a misread. It's not seeing the 1 minute, but it is seeing the 15 second, 15 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second trays. Looks like pretty good, but we're going to test that. So the sniper rifle, what is it? Why am I developing it? Why am I wasting Keith and my time and Bree's time with this? Well, there's a reason. There's a reason. The reason why I'm doing the sniper rifle is because a safety trade, green, 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 red, with the blue pulled, which will be something anyway, is a fantastic trade. Superhuman win percentage. When it's a buy stop to the blue line, it almost makes it infallible win percentage. The blue line is something that I have come across over my years of trading. It is 100% unique to this system. If anyone else is using, quote unquote, this particular EMA, I know they had stolen it from me and I will sue them because this EMA was never used for any other system ever in the history of the world. I happened to come across it. I developed it. And what it is a bullseye, more or less. What it is it price action. I call it a magnetic magic blue line. Magnetic because it draws price action to it. Magic because how in the hell did I ever develop such a thing? I don't know. But this actually leads, it like tells you where something's going, where price action is going. And the blue line is magical, in my opinion, is magnetic. It does draw it there. You'll see it time and time again when it hits the blue line, usually stalls, pulls back a little, goes right back up to it. It's called a ricochet trade. It is so cool to see. So, since the blue line is so important, it is the bullseye of where every price action is going to on every symbol. We have the sniper rifle. What does it do? It combines the sniper and the buy stop and the blue line all into one determination call, plus all the other signals that you'll see. So it's reading everything and is the trade going to the blue line? So right now we have it set up on SPX. It's reading off the 30 second, trying to catch the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes. And it missed. It's not reading the 1 minute. It is doing the 30 seconds. I'll show you in a minute. But you can set it up in about 2 months or so when it's going to be commercially available to all of you. And it's going to be so cheap. I swear. $50 a month will be the highest. And you can put this on your charts. All you're going to need is obviously you need the system. You need to have the sniper because, well, it's a sniper rifle. Hello. And then this little, you can put on, if you only want to trade 5-second signals, you can do that. If you only want to trade 30-second and under symbols, you can do that. If you only want to trade 3-minute time frames on any symbol, you can do that. 5-minute. It's going to eventually be coded all the way up until the daily. And I strongly recommend you only trade dailies, but you can use it for 1 hour, 4 hours. It'll be fantastic. And what it does is in one fell swoop, it hunts for whatever time frame you put on here and you trigger on here. It'll look for a buy stop automatically on all time frames to the blue line on any symbol you put it on. So for instance, in this one, it missed it, but I'm only going to put the 30-second on. It's your birthday. And then what we're going to do is leave it on SPX. And what we're going to do is turn into Elmer Fudd. Yes, it's seeing red. It's catching the cells. I have to go down to 15 seconds. It's catching the cells and the buys now. Hell, before it wasn't even catching anything. So this is current. It's only looking for 15 seconds buys and sells. And here is a 15-second sell called out. 30-second call called out and a 30-second call called out. So let's go ahead and now we have to go back. And all you have to do in order to run this is have 2 charts open. Here, it's your birthday. And here, the one that you're actually looking for, which is the 30-second. Oh, but you can do anything you want with that. 30-second sell. 30-second sell. Yep, went down beautifully. Let's see if it fit. Yeah, and there it is. It went down and touched this blue line. So yes, it'll do buys and sells now. The great Keith Palmer has correctly coded it to do 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 seconds. Little challenge on the 1 minutes. And what I'm going to test with you guys is to see if the 3 minutes and 5 minutes is working. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's my time. It's my birthday. Good morning, user 5708. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Again, good morning, Mike Jones, Gary Ramundo, Guy Berger, Orlando, Bradley, Tyria, Jacob, JTF6. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. Where you been? Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Joe Biga. Morning, Joe. Morning, Larry. Wow, someone saying love the constant improvements just to make us win and learn and earn. I like that. Learn and earn more. Thank you. That's cute. I love using those words, learn and earn. So how does it work again? This is a sniper rifle. What we're going over is exactly how it works and why. Again, you have to understand, you guys can see all the safety trades you want raw, right? Anything you want. I'm just trying to look for some more. Or when you place this down on a symbol, let me be clear of what I'm saying. I move this, let's whip through them. US 30, it's only looking for 30-second buy stops. So watch. Well, I have it turned, well, here, let's turn on for all of them. Hold on. We're going to turn it on for all. I'm going to whip through a whole bunch of symbols so you can see the power of what you're looking at. I'm going to put it down. See them pull up already? See them pull up already? See all these? Look. Here we go. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Sells and buys. All right, that's it. We're looking right here. There's a 15, 30-second safety trade, current. This is current. The lines are passed. This over here will say ST for safety trade. It'll give you a up arrow if it's an up, a down arrow if it's a sell. So right now you can see that it's trying to call out. It's tracking. It's thinking that there is a 30-second US 30. Let me get this all on one again. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so currently, and there is. See what it's doing? Look how smart it is. This is how valuable this shit is. 30-second buy stop to the blue line. Look, 15-second buy stop to the blue line. Let's see if that's true. 10-second buy stop. It is. 10-second buy stop to the blue line. Look at what it's doing. Look how fast that is. 15-second buy stop. Correct. To the blue line. 30-second buy stop to the blue line. Now it's not ready to make the call yet because it has to transfer from green, 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 red to green, 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 red, green again. But it's making the call. It's tracking this for you. It's alive, so to speak. It's thinking, so to speak. Is that not cool? You're seeing it right here. There it is. The 10-second now. Watch. The 10-second is pulled down, so it's no longer a viable. It turned red on the real direction bar one. We can go to the 15-second. There it is. Still a viable option at this point. Buy stop 42,458.2 demo only. Speaking of which, there you go. It's the sniper with night vision. What's up, Captain USA? Good morning. It's the sniper with night vision. Love it. And it's reading it correctly, by the way. So there you go. Now look, I flip on another symbol. It automatically reads all of them. 10-second NAS. Let's go over the 10 seconds, see if it's a buy stop. It is. 10-second NAS buy stop. 15-second. Don't know. Hold on. It is. 15-second buy stop. Look what it's doing for you guys already. This is how fast. Watch. So those are two called out. Let's go over to SPX. Oh, look at that. 5-second buy stop. Let's see if that's true. 5-second buy stop, SPX. 10 seconds. See the little safety traits, ST. Yep. It's our, this is a ricochet. This is beautiful, SPX. Ricochet, buy stop, SPX. 15-second, correct. Buy stop, blue line low, green, red. And the blue's a perfect trade. Look what it's doing. Look how fast I can read these for you. If it helps no one else read the charts, it'll help me read the charts so much faster for you. Watch gold. Let's take a look. Nothing on gold. Oil. Nothing on oil. I don't have to waste time flipping through these. Nothing fast going to the blue line. Now, I have to check these to make sure it's reading it right, but nothing current. On EURUSD, look at the cells it called out. Look at the cells it called out. Look at this shit. Perfectly called out sell stop. 15-second to the blue line on EURUSD. Look, perfection. Perfection personified. See, Keith, I'm so excited. I get goosebumps. I have goosebumps right now. I literally have goosebumps. I'm so excited for Keith. Whew. Seeing the cell, seeing red, baby. Woo! Gorgeous. Wow. Okay, anywho. But look how fast you can whip through these sucking things. Watch. GBP, JPY. Let's see. Nothing. Oh. Bullshit, there is. 5-second. Let's see. Current, 5 seconds. Misread. No, this is a sell. This is a sell. He needs to change these to red. Sorry. ST. So sell stop. It is 5-second toward. Let's see the 10 though. It is 10 seconds towards it. I don't think that's actually accurate. We need to go up to the higher time frames. It's going to be bigger. But at any rate, those are, I should say, those are accurate. They're just part of a bigger up right here. That's all this is. Let's go to AUDUSD. There's a 10-second. Look how much, oh my God. This alone is worth everything. This alone is worth everything. 10-second, incorrect. See, he's not reading it to the blue line. AUDUSD, make sure we're on AUDUSD both. It is correct. Am I on the right time frame? 10-second current. Incorrect. It's a correct call. It's a sell stop. It's not a sell stop to the blue line. It's below it. It doesn't count. He needs to fix that. USD CAD. And this is what I do. Hundreds, hell, probably 1,000 times over and over and over again. Checking current, checking past ones. None on USD CAD, XRP. And again, we have to check these to make sure these are actually accurate. It's your birthday. XRP showing a 5 seconds. Let's go take a look. And that is an incorrect read. It can't be above it. 5 second. Yep, nope. Let me see something here. It's your birthday. Nope, not reading it correctly. So we have to get on that one too. Ethereum. It's pulling out a lot of good reads though. I'm really, really happy. Ethereum. Nope, nothing. Bitcoin. And I would take off, obviously, the price action when I'm using it for real. This is just for show for you guys. 10-second. This is Bitcoin. 15 second. Saying a 10-second sell. See, misread. Incorrect. 15 second. Incorrect. It is a buy stop. It's just not going to the blue line. Nope. 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 There you go. It's your birthday. See? So yeah, nothing on Bitcoin. Shouldn't have called those. But again, we're getting closer and closer and closer and closer. Amazon, I don't think it can read after hours. Oh, could be wrong. Hold on. 5 seconds. This is ridiculous. First of all, we have to get this thing coded up for the hourly, 4-hour daily. That's what I prefer to call for you guys. But anyway, what is this? 5 second? Let's see. Incorrect. 10 second. Incorrect. So it's just trial and error, getting it better and better and better as we get, along with things. It'll get better, trust me. Always does. Keith always perfects everything. Amazing man, amazing coder. It's your birthday. Say, it's your birthday. Let's go back to 10 second. Let me see. And see when this call was made. It did go up and touch, correct? Let me see, NAS. It's your birthday. Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, we had a touch on the NAS also by the time I talked. Good. So there you go. Anywho. And then we also have the H&H scanner coming, which is part of this code. So it's all kind of working together. It'll get there. Trust me. Keith and I and Bree, we are too stubborn for it not to work. It'll work. When it works, you guys all be happy. It's a birthday. Say, it's my birthday. Say, it's my birthday. All right. That's about 20. I think like 22, 25, whatever. Minutes of cardio on incline. A good incline now. I bet you it's about 15%. All right. Let me turn on my thing. Pull down my little Mikey phone. I'm loving it. What is this leading to? Yep. All part of our stuff. This is going to be fun. Good morning, Mike Mahoyan. Morning, Larry on TikTok. Good morning. Again, it's everybody on TikTok and everybody on YouTube. Again, we have Optimus, Maximus, Nazatron. Everything we're doing is leading to one cultivation of everything. Kind of funny because we did start with it and we're going to be perfected with it at the end. But this is too cool. This is going to be, I think, just fun to do, fun to see, especially when it starts calling out those dates. Because what you're going to see is the order in which they form. You're going to see 1 hour call outs, 2 hour call. You're just going to be shocked and stunned, amazed when you start seeing the buy stops to certain lines and back and forth. All right, let me go through actual call outs now. Weekly on my left, daily on the right. We're going to do US 30 first. The weekly buy stop and the daily buy stop. Let me scooch this over a little bit so we can get a little bit more on the daily. It's my birthday. Right here. Okay, so let's take a look. We're doing weekly, daily US 30 right now. Hey, where'd my line go? Oh, there it is. All right, let's move this to here. And this is boop, boop. All that matters. Play any buy stop you can find on US 30. Just like yesterday when we made over 200 pips. Play any buy stop on US 30 until this pink line right here goes up and touches this orange blue line up here on the sniper. Here to here. Keep playing it. When you go hunting for these, I showed you the other day, 2 different days, you make over 100 different trades and you only get down to the 3-minute blue line. This is exceptional time. You can make money with US 30. Please look for that. Good morning, George Hyde. Good morning, Ken. Thank you, Ken. All right, look. That's US 30. Let's go over to NAS. NAS and SPX are even better. Play any buy stop you can find until NAS's pink line down here goes up and touches. You see the thing right there? Goes up and touches the orange, along with the pink going up, touching the orange on the weekly. That's why NAS is better. And SPX is the exact same thing. Play any buy stop you guys can find. Hold on a second. I forgot to show you. So I'm in buys. Okay. Buy NAS, buy gold, buy NAS, buy AUD, buy AUD. We're up 166. I should close that trade, actually. I haven't even locked in profit. Oh, my God. And then buy gold. All right. And I'm the NAS right now. I'm explaining to you why I'm in the trade. Matter of fact, I took this $265 trade, 200. So we're up 226 pips on this trade. No, 260. Oh my God, 265 pips on this trade. Sorry, on NAS, just because the blue line, the pink line was low on NAS. As simple as that. There was no other reason for me to take the trade. So I have those NAS trades open. I like NAS better than SPX when I can play it. It just gives me a little more bang for the buck, but not over the top like US 30. So all this NAS is, I just took the trade with no entry. On that trade, I didn't have any buy stops. I just took the fucking trade because this thing came down to the bottom. Period. That's why I took the trade. There was no other logic. There was no other reasons. Just that. Morning, George. Morning, Ken. Morning, Solace. Okay. So take any buy stop you can on NAS, SPX, and US 30. And when you have the sniper, you can take a buy stop to the blue line. You're going to be printing money like better than an ATM. All right. Now let's go back to gold and see what gold looks like. Gold weekly is already peaked. See the pink lines up here with it. Not ideal, but the daily looks very interesting to me. Yep. And now we have the purple coming down. Blue line high. So watch, we have a fill in the gap on the daily. So now we know this daily is going to be paired off with our 4-hour. And we're going to have a daily 4-hour buy stop. Watch. See it? Now this got a little deeper. So watch. Let me get you your 3 and 4 here. 3, the blue lines down, there's a buy stop. But the problem came in, or opportunity came in, is that it's no longer just a 4-hour, it's a 7-hour. It's a 7-hour buy stop. A little odd, but that's what it is. So now what do we have? Blue line low, buy stop here. Buy stop, gold. You can put it anywhere you want. Technically, I told you to put it right here. That's my line. And you're in the money on that trade. Now, I got in gold later. I couldn't get in because I was doing 1,000 other things and quite frankly forgot. So my gold trade is strictly entered in off this daily. And I'm guessing that that gold will be higher when this pink line goes all the way up. And I mean a lot higher. So right now I'm a little bit negative on my gold trade, but I don't give 2 fucks. I really don't. Hold on a second. Now we do have to get over to Odd USD. It's your birthday. Say, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. All right. Say, it's your birthday. So that's how I'd read gold, and gold is in the money. I'm just not in the money with gold yet. I will be soon. Okay. Let's see if there's any other. Well, we already looked. Well, let me make sure there's no other gold faster little things here. It's your birthday. Say, it's your birthday. No, there isn't, so we're good. All right, let's go ahead and run through gold real quick. 3 minute. 1 minute. 3 minutes sell. 3 minute, 5 minutes sell. 3 minute sell stop on gold. It's only setting up these higher time frame buys. 15 minute buy stop gold. 3 hour sell stop gold. Daily. And then, of course, the daily, weekly buy stop gold. U.S. oil. It's your birthday. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Oil. Sell oil. 10 seconds. Sell oil. Already hit it. Buy still though. Okay, so you can play any fast term. So play any sell stop, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute to the 3 minute blue line of oil. Yeah, you can do that, but better, I prefer 4 hour ricochet. Hold on, is it a 2 hour? Already did it. 3 hour. It went up yesterday to the 3 hour blue line. Told you. Ha ha ha. Told you. All right, ricochet. Play any buy stop until oil goes back up to its 4 hour blue line this time. 4 hour blue line. How fun is your birthday? Then it's your birthday. Say, it's your birthday. Daily sell. Monthly buy oil. Again, monthly is ridiculous. See my buy right here on oil? Wow, that was really good. Called out on 819. Told you. Now, ultimately, oil's going to go up a lot. Ultimately, I hope it dips down first. I hate to say this. I can see oil going back over $114 a barrel, just to throw out there to you. Sorry. Yeah. But that could be 6 months, a year, 2 years from now. When it's a monthly buy or sell, it takes forever. Hell, one of my weekly oil, one of the very first calls I ever made was on oil, and it was a weekly sell. It took over 6 months from June to December for it to drop down to there. So it could take a long time for a monthly to develop. That's why we call out all these other time frames for you guys. Nice, Solace. And Solace loves oil. EURUSD. Let's take a look, shall we? Daily here. Weekly there. Oh, look at that. Who called Who, I think it was right on the exact time. Who called ERUSD? Why is this not dropping? What the fuck? Look at that gorgeous buy. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, well, anywho, EURUSD. We got to wait a little bit more on the weekly to drop. Let me see monthly. It's your birthday. Oh, it's a sell. Monthly sell, EURUSD. Look at the last time it did this. Monthly sell, ERUSD. Again, let's see how long it took last time from the point of contact. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here, hold on. It took to bottom. It took, what are this week? This is months. It took 24 months the last time this is positioned this way. 24 months for it to go to the very bottom. I'm going to go ahead and say ERUSD monthly sell stop. That's going to, I mean, there's going to be a lot of ups still and, you know, downs inside of here, but that monthly is crazy. Crazy, man. Whoever gets in office is going to have some troubles here. Weekly sell stop, EURUSD. Daily's fine. 4 hour. What is this? Like a 7? 12. 12 daily. It's a 7 hour, 12 hour buy stop. It's a nothing. It's going to be like a 15-minute. Nope. Already did it. Yeah, it is 15-minute. 15-minute sell stop. EURUSD. How would I play ERUSD? Well, I guess look for any weekly, daily sells that develop. Play those. And then just play. I mean, you can play the 1 hour buys and 15-minute buys because that's what has to form our sells, right? But ultimately, I'm looking for this thing to go way down. I'm going to have to take these off. I'm going to clear this. Hold on. I'm good. We made money on those calls earlier. We're good. Nothing needs to be on here. If anything, I'm too late in calling a monthly sell on this. I'm not going to call it. We're good. But anyway, that's how I'm reading this. See, this right here is still your monthly sell. Will it go down much further? You know, monthly sell, monthly sell, monthly sell. Let me see that 12 hour again. Yeah, daily, weekly buy. You can play this buy, feel free. Because again, by the time you start talking about, and I like the weekly on that, so go ahead and do it. It's not low enough on the weekly for me to call that again. But that monthly, when it's high like this, is very, you see the drop it did? I can see it going down below 0.97257 again. I'm just going to, I might just stick with the faster time frames like daily and below on this ERUSD in the future because it's, this is just steep. Let me see that 6 month. Nope. 6 months. Yeah, see, it's still all under on the 6 month. If we get lucky, we can get a push back up over to here, like this, and then it does this pull down. If you want buys, if you want sells, it doesn't matter. But we might be able to pull this up, back up into this channel again. It's your birthday. I don't know why I'm getting so hung up on ERUSD, but I am. 3 months. It's not up high enough. Monthly. It's definitely up high enough. 3 weeks. Definitely high enough. Weekly. See, it's still not low enough. Put a buy on ERUSD at 1.10453. And then if you really want to put a sell, I'd let it come back up again. So you kind of missed that sell there on the monthly. And if you want to play any sell stops, feel free. I don't have a problem with that. I would stick to the little higher time frames. But at any rate, okay, yeah, this is annoying me. I don't know why. And if this falls, which it's just a matter of time, how far up is it going to go, where we're going to get to? I say we have a little bit more to go up. So, yeah. See the time here, first time, right here, perfect. Second time, perfect. Third time, perfect. Fourth time, perfect. Fifth time, perfect. It's going to be another fall. Interesting. See, we were above it over here. When was this? 03. They wonder why it fell in 08. What a joke. Look how overpriced this was. When was this? 08. Pop. Yeah, it's going to go down again. I don't think it's high enough. I think it's still, play that buy stop on the daily. It's going to go up a little bit more. Then it's going to hook and come down, in my opinion. All right, I'm done with the ERUSD. Sorry, something captivated me with the ERUSD. I don't know why. I'm still not comfortable with the calls. I want to see that more. All right, GBP JPY. What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? Monthly, 3 weeks. Buy stop weekly. Weekly, monthly. Not low enough yet. Weekly, daily. Oh, yeah, gorgeous. Interesting. Sell. It did not go up that high on the daily. Okay, play on GBP JPY. Play any longer term buy stop. This is interesting. I like this play. I love this play. Let me be clear. Just crossing 2 is your time to get in. GBP JPY weekly buy stop. Love it. Weekly, daily buy stop. Love it. Daily 4-hour sell. See, so we have the daily sell. Yeah, but that's inside the weekly. This should go. Okay, let me see that again. This should go exploding upward. It seems like it's just bottled up. There's your 4 hours. 4 hours. Let me see the 1 hour. Let me see the 15-minute. Buy 5 minute, 1 minute. Nope, too late. Yeah, these are all those buys. 15-second buy stop. Bottoms up, bottoms up. All right. So yeah, that's GBBJ. Just play any buy. AUD USD. Now this is the one. This is the one that I'm in twice. We're up $177 on a buy on 1010, which was yesterday. I did it just because it's just gotten too low. I also have another buy on AUD We're minus $5. So let's see this buy. Oh, I love it. No. I love this. This is everything right in the world right here. 12-hour daily buy, AUD. You can play it anywhere you want. You can put a buy stop on AUD USD at 0.67477. You can put it, or I have it way down there. You can put it at 0.6747. Is that not what I just said? 477. Love this buy stop. Fill in the gap daily. It's the second one. I know the first one we played, I made 171 pips on it. Love this buy. I'm in it twice. Love it. I expect this to go up from where it is. I don't know where it is. Wherever this is, roughly speaking. Where the hell? I don't see my line. Okay, I got too much shit. All right, we'll put it there. I expect it to go up. Bottoms up, bottoms up. 100 more pips from where it's at. I would play any buy stop on AUD, USD that you can find, whether it's 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5, I don't care. Until when? Until price action comes up from where it's at and touches the price action blue line right here, or better yet, until bottoms up, the pink line down here comes up to the blue line like it did over here. It's going to be over 100 pips. This is going to be a great trade. So I'm up 17. Yeah, it should be in the range of about $12,000 to $15,000 by the time this trade is done. We'll see. We have locked in profit. Yeah, we're good. Bottoms up, bottoms up. All around the world. Hold on. All around the world. Bottoms up, bottoms up. All right. All around the world. EURUSD. I already looked at EURUSD. Just go back and watch what I said. All right, USD CAD. Trey Songs and trading. Joe figure that's funny. USD CAD. All right. Yeah, I spent too much time on EURUSD. Just go back in the video on YouTube. You'll see what I said. All right. This is USD CAD. Let's take a look. But I can't wait for the sniper rifle. I don't have to do all this shit over and over again. All right, let's see. Nope, negative 1 minute. Nope, too late. 3 minute. Buy stop too late. 15 minute. 1 hour. It's already too late. It's finishing up on a 1 hour, 4 hour. Ooh, nice. Still going strong. Where the fuck is this going to? Who is this? 12 hour daily. Wow. Nice. Yeah, baby. Daily, weekly buy stop. Look what I called. Damn, I'm so fucking good. I forget what I even call half the time. Let's take a look. On 7-3, daily, it's doing it again. I'm going to calling it again. It's just stay in that fucking trade again. All right. Play any buy stop you can. Let me see the daily again. No, we're good. Beautiful trade. See the 4 reds right before? That's how you know you're on the right thing, boy. Play any buy stop you can find on USD CAD going from 3 minute on up. The reason why I say 3 minute up, because underneath that is the micro. And that can do whatever it wants to do. It'll go up, down, buy, sells all day long under the 3 minutes. Above it, it's going to be pretty consistent. All those smaller time frames are going to make our buy stops for us. What you're going to do is hold the trade on the daily and weekly. We can look at weekly right here until price action goes, the blue line, sorry. It's the sniper blue line goes from the bottom all the way up here. Should be pretty profitable for us. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful call out I made a while ago. XRP. XRP. It's a buy. Again, it dipped down again. Yay. Daily buy. Weekly. Still got to fill in the gap on the 3 month. That's all. See how they rob me? They won't let me see. motherfuckers. Nope. Buy stop. Don't give two fucks. This has got to fill in. This has to come up. This right here, there is no blue line, but I'm calling it as it is. This right here has to come up. I think when XRP comes up this time, instead of stopping at $1.95, XRP is going to go up past $1.95 on this next push up. XRP is a buy. Ethereum, I think Ethereum is still stuck on this 12. Yeah, still stuck on this 12-hour. Son of a bitch. Come on, Ethereum. Let's move. Oh, shit. What is Bitcoin doing? Boy, that is an ugly daily. No, we're still good. Buy, stop, Bitcoin. Weekly. Boy, it's almost finished there. Hold on. All across the world. Monthly isn't low enough. The 3 week is. Let me see. Is there anything on here? Nope. They give me nothing. Little fuckers. Look at that gorgeous buy stop. 3 month monthly buy stop. And this is where we got in on 3/8/23. You couldn't have played. Now it's fine. All right. Buy stop Bitcoin. Buy stop Ethereum. Longer term, meaning daily, weekly, monthly, not the 12-hour, 4 hours. Let me look at Ethereum because I know what's his face. Larry loves Ethereum. Let me see. No, it's not done. It's still got to go up. Yeah, it's just crossing now. Give it some time on the buys. Yeah. Ethereum buy. Well, you can be down here. Damn. If that Ethereum goes down to its daily blue line, if anyone's owning it, it's not going to be happy. Can it go there? Yes. Will it go there? I don't think so. We might be hitting the bottom, but damn. I got to call what I see. 12-hour sell stop to the daily blue line of Ethereum. Sorry, Larry. But that's just what I see. And then after that, or maybe we can avoid it, buy stop, weekly, monthly buy stop Ethereum. Weekly, monthly buy stop Bitcoin. But we have to let these 12 hours play out. It's not done. It's not even done on Bitcoin going down yet. It's definitely 100% not done on Ethereum. Yeah, jeez. Yeah, it is what it is on that one. Sorry, Larry. Will it hit the daily? It's going to be a long way down. This is going to come down. How far did it go with this drop? No, it's going to go down. Fuck. Well, Ethereum, good luck on that. Amazon. I love it. I don't give two fucks. Again, you guys are just silly not to buy Amazon. Look at the weekly going up, daily going up. I called it on A8 as a buy from here at 159. Say 160. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Amazing. And it still has more to go up. Buy stop. Daily 4-hour buy stop. Amazon. Buy stop Amazon. Buy stop Amazon. Buy. Costco. Oh, Costco went up a little bit yesterday. Yay. Yeah. Buy stop. Daily, weekly buy stop. Monthly, it's a little overdone. Can he pull off some more? Yes. Do not be shocked if Costco goes down to $7.99, like $800. Do not be shocked. Just saying. I won't be shocked. Yeah, see this? Look at that 3 month. Oh my gosh. Look at the 1 month. What was this? Weekly? Yes. Look at this shit. Watch. Let's go over here to monthly. Nope. Let's go over here to 3 week. Yeah. 3 week and weekly. Look at this shit. Prime. Fill in the gap. You have your puzzle piece missing right here. I mean, this is just gorgeous. So back in whenever this was, March of 2023. No, yeah, March, January. Okay, it took a long time. It's just, it was ready to explode. Just gorgeous buy stop. This is just a picture perfect buy stop. Look at that. Gorgeous. You're at kind of the peak now. It's still going to go up. The daily has to fill in the gap right here. It's going to go up. The blue line has to go up. It's going to go up. I'm just telling you, be very, very careful with Costco because it's gorgeous. We made a good amount of money. I've called it out correctly for a while now. But I would prefer Costco to be hit like a rock and drop down to below 800. Oh, it'd be nice if it goes down to 600. Will it go that low? 700. Yeah, I can see that 750, 800 easily on Costco. So, Don, keep riding it. Make sure you have your take profits in if you can do it that way. And then, yeah, all around the world. Morning, Matt. All right, where were we? That's it. That's all of them. All around the world. Da, 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 da. I think those buy stops that we called out. No, I have no idea. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. There's your buy stops that were called out. All around the world. No, 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 no. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. There we go. See? There you go. I think someone called out a buy stop for US 30 to its blue line. Another buy stop to the blue line for NAS. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What SPX buy stop. NAS buy stop to the blue line. 20,222. Just take it if it comes up there. Please take this if and when this comes up there. Unless I see SPX drop hard, which I don't think so. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is what the H&H scanner is going to be calling out for you guys. It'll be looking for buy stops, which this isn't a 15-second. Let's be clear. It is a 30-second. Yep. It is a 1 minute. Nope. It is a 30-second. Let's go back to NAS, SPX. Yep. Perfect. Oh my God. These are, see the calls? See the calls? Look what you're looking at. Oh, you don't know. This is the sniper rifle. Buy stop to the blue line, SPX. Perfectly called. Perfectly played out. Another buy stop coming up. This is a 30-second to the blue line buy stop. Okay. NAS. Oh, gorgeous. 30-second buy stop. If it goes down, so be it. I don't give a fuck. 20,223, 20,222. I like that number just better. Buy stop, demo only, not a financial advisor, NAS. Look at US 30, perfection personified. You're going to force me to do another buy on NAS. I'm already in it twice. I don't want to fucking do it again. This is perfect. See the calls? Look at the calls. Look at the calls. One call. That's all. Better call Saul. Look at this perfection. 30-second safety trade is forming. It knows. Keith is the man. It's reading this safety trade right here, the ST 30-second. It's reading this live as it's occurring, giving you a heads up to look for that trade. Wow. Fucking cool. Fucking cool. We can't see it on here on the 30-second. Maybe the 1 minute. No, can't see it on the 1 minute. Gorgeous. Love this trade. I don't give two fucks. No, love it. Love it. You have time. We should have caught it a little earlier. You could have caught it down here somewhere, but it's back there again. Buy stop for the third fucking time. 20, and it goes down. Drop it down with it. 20,222. Love this trade. Gorgeous. Look at the little thing calling it out. The little sniper rifle. Look at gold. 10 seconds. Is that right? Is there a 10-second? Oh, sell stop. There is. There's a live 10-second sell stop to the, and it did it right as you spoke. Oh my gosh. How cute was that? There it was. There was your 10-second. You saw it. Bingo, boppo, bango, right down to the blue line, and it did it. That's too fucking cool. Oh, yeah, there it is to the 5-second, too, by the way. Oh, let's see if we got a 10-second again. 10-second again. This is too fucking cool. Sniper rifle, baby. Just a fun thing. Wow. That's going to work exceptionally well when we get it tweaked up just a little bit more. Look at that shit. So fucking cool. Da 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 da. How cool is that? Huh. Okay. Oil 30-second. It's a 30-second safety trade, but it's not reading it's underneath its 30-second line. So this is a misread on oil. Damn. I'm going to go ahead and say it called out the, what ones were these? 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Let me see. To the blue lines. Really, really good. Let's see. I just love having fun. I could do this shit all day long. All day long. Never ending. Ever. There they are. That's a proper read. These were 15 and 10 seconds, I think. Sell stops. What is this one? 15 second. Yeah. 15 second sell stops to the blue line, accurately called out by the sniper rifle. Again, it's needed to be tweaked on a couple symbols, but we'll get the tweaking done. Usually me and Keith stay on the phone for a couple hours when we start finishing the tweaks. And then he does it. The great Keith Palmer. Yeah, that's what that is. Naz looks like it's going. There's Harjeet. Harjeet loves saying things. Naz looks like it's going down to its 5 minute. Let's take a look, Harjeet. To its 5 minute. 5 minute. There you go. Let's go back to Naz. 5 minute. Oh, we did the wrong one. Hold on. Let me put that back over here. Put the 5 minute over here. Ooh. Harjeet, we had this discussion before. You're talking about Naz, right? See, Naz hit its... Oh, wait. My bad. Maybe I'm in the wrong time period. 1 minute sell. To the 3 minute, yes. Ricochet. To the 5 minute, yes. It has a very, very strong chance to get extremely close to its 5 minute stop. Love this SPX. Love the thing. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to have a strong enough push to go down there. No, 1 hour buy. The way I would, it's got to come down lower because the blue line isn't low enough. I see that. That's understandable. Gotcha. I love this 1 hour buy. You're going to force my hand for today. If you're going to force my hand today on any, it's a 1 hour, 2 hour. It's a 4 hour. No, I just would not. I would put instead of playing a 5 minute sell or to the 5 minute blue line, it can go there. I don't care. What I do know is it's going to go up 20,239 as an entrance, maybe a little less. 20,245 buy stop. I love this buy stop on Naz. So much so that All around the world, going crazy. I have 2 NAS buys still open. I just love the buys. If it dips down and I only make whatever I put my stop loss and take profit at, maybe 15,000, whatever, I'll live with myself. But no, I'm going to hold this trade again, just so we're all clear. You can take any of these sells. Feel free to take the sells. You can. They're just forming these higher time frame buys. I went over this in detail yesterday. I go over it all the time. The safer trade is the buy. And why is the safer the trade the buy? Because you all know. I mean, how many times I have to fucking say it? The weekly dailies rule, and the weekly is a clear buy stop until this pink hits the blue. The daily is a clear buy stop until I just love the buys. It doesn't mean there won't be sells. Of course, there's going to be sells because that's what's going to create the fucking buys. So yes, it might very well go down to the 5 minute, sure, but I feel a hell of a lot better on the 1 hour buy stop. Again, as this morning progresses, I can fully see NAS doing this as it progresses. NAS is going to go down like this, hook back up, probably somewhere around 8:30ish. It's going to come back down again, and then it will shoot up sometime around, I don't know, pick a number, maybe between 9:15 and 10:15, maybe 10:30. If not, then it'll do it around 2 o'clock. Is there any news this morning that we can get some impetus from? We had some fun yesterday. It wasn't great, but is there any news this morning? It's going to be this. The sniper rifle, baby. Pow, pow, bang, bang. It's just a figure of speech. It's not a real rifle. Oh, God, I can hear people complaining already. Okay. What is the news this morning? If it's PPI, NFP, non-farm payroll, CPI, let me know. If it's not one of the big boys, what you guys call red box, red letter, red folder, whatever the fuck it is, don't let me know. I don't care. But if it's any of the big news, PPI, what, 8:30 then? 8:30. Oh, good. We might be able to make a lot of money then. Nice. All around the world. Man, we've been at an hour already. Fuck. All around the world, everybody. Okay, we just had our first hour, it looks like. Wow, that's crazy. PPI, thank you. Herjeet, where's must be sleeping in. Gonna be there all around the world. PPI will be high because of interest rate cut. We don't give two shits about interest rate cuts trading discussion. I don't give two fucks. I'm telling you what's going to happen before it happened because the safety trade system calls for it to go up. It has nothing to do with interest rate cuts. It has nothing to do with earnings. It has nothing to do with unemployment. It has nothing to do with anything. If the system, let me be 100% clear, on the weekly shows this, and also on our daily shows this, then I will take any buy stop that I have been calling and trading. Let me be clear on this. Some of these trades you're looking at are from 9.6 on gold, 10.7 and 10.8 on NAS. Okay. These trades I'm locked in. These are buys on NAS. We're up 300 pips. 300 pips. 299 pips on NAS. Before any interest rate cuts, before anything was sold, the system calls out the news and eats the news every day, every time it ever comes out. For the last 2 years of my lives, you can just type in CPI or NFP. Every time is called out before any news was even announced, days and weeks and months before. So we don't give two fucking shits if the interest rates are cut or not. I don't give two flying rats ass. I just want to know when the news is there. So when they drop it wrongly, we can go ahead and make a lot of money against them. That's all. We're just going to trade whenever they do something stupid. We just make a lot of money on it. Just so we're clear on that. Good morning, Mischief Maker. Let me make sure my little alerts are set so we can make some good money this morning. I love it. Trading the news is like taking money from a baby. Oh, they're going to drop it and collect everyone's contracts and they're going to raise it up because that's it. Oh, fuck out of here. If we can move fast enough, if the market isn't too scammy and they let us get in and out as quickly as we need to, we're going to make a lot of money this morning. And if there's any movement, sometime PPI is just useless. I'm not going to do shit anyways. And I already drew out what it's going to do today anyways for NAS and SPX and US 30. It does it every morning. Same shit. Different day, same shit. That's why I don't understand why you guys have such a hard time with the trading. Just follow the system, follow the weekly dailies, buy it when they're at the low. It's the easiest thing on earth. And it works on the sells. If things start to flip around and things get bad, we'll know we're going to make money on the way down. We make money on the way up. We make money on the way down. Easy peasy. Every time. But news is shit. The only reason why I have it in the type form to not trade news is because you should go back to the one video I had. Where was it? Hold on. Let's go over to YouTube. Da 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 da. You're leaving me? Okay. We come over to our channel and you're going to come down to here and we're going to go over to lives. 747 videos plus 1,700 videos. We're up over 2,400 videos. I'm just too lazy to put the release on the other ones. Latest, let's go learn. Want to see something cool. For the love of God, patience. Learn from my stupidity. Must see training video. How to trade this one right here. If you guys go over how to trade the open one right here, it's you guys, when it says must see TV training video, you probably want to watch it like 50 times a week for a month. So when you see this, and I don't know exactly the time period, if you come over here though and you do this, we'll be able to get the sign, somebody. Well, maybe not. We'll be able to I started my internet. You'll be able to see how I trade the open. And you'll see how it goes up and down against itself. It's really, really good training. You should really watch this one. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Why is this so fucking blurry? Hold on. What? Hold on. Maybe it's just not pulling it in or something. Gonna be there. Hold on. I'm gonna go in my phone then, because this internet on here is just sucking it up. I literally we have phone backup hotspots. We have two. I stole internet. Well, not steal. I pay for it over there. I have my internet from my one house next to my other house, two different internets, and it's still giving me trouble to pull shit in. Wow. Hold on. Let me go to my phone. My videos were never blurry on YouTube. So let me see something real quick. Are the YouTube's videos blurry? Hold on. Want to see something? Let's see. No, they look good. On my phone, they look good. Fuck that. I was Central C. All right, there's that. All right, cool. So yeah, I was wondering. I was like, why the hell do they look blurry? They're not blurry. I don't know, something wrong with my fucking internet. Library of Success, all the videos. I agree with that. Good morning, Filio. Crystal clear. Okay, cool. Thank you, LD. Clear says if he, yeah. Cool. Okay, so where were we? All right. So yeah, why we're calling out buy stops for CP, everything. I don't give a fuck. Anything right now. Take any buy stop you can find on NAS, SPX, and US 30. You can play the cells. Again, the 3-minute, the 5-minute, the 10-minute, that's what creates our 4-hour, 7-hour, 12-hour daily. You can play them. You can make money up. You can make money down. You can make money up and down. Doesn't matter. The ones I'm looking for would be the buy stops. And here are the reasons why. Let me just go over exactly this. All of you should trade this time frames right here. You should have on your left the weekly. Every candle is 1 week. On the right, daily. Every candle is 1 day. Then you should, let me open this up a little bit so you can see a little clearer. Then you should follow the rules of what we have. Now you can either trade your charts raw. What do I mean by raw? This is what you see, okay, on a chart. This is what you can see on a chart. This is it. It could be raw, okay, like this. You can trade your chart like this. Feel free. This is how you begin. Every beginner starts raw. You can trade it raw. You can trade raw. Go ahead. Feel free. You can do this. Hey, if you're that crazy and you want to trade raw, feel free. I am not here to stop you. I'm not here to say it doesn't work. If you can trade this raw, good luck. Oh, I can trade. I'm so good. Why would you even attempt to trade it raw? Why would you do this? This makes no sense to me. It doesn't work. We all tried it. MetaTrader 4, it gives you even less. It gives you black and white candles with volume on it when you first start to trade. We all turn to, I don't know, all these stupid indicators that they said worked for technicals. No, Fibonacci does not work. You know, Fibonacci comes from a pattern in nature. It doesn't work. Awesome oscillator isn't awesome. Doesn't work. Tried it. Bollinger Bands from Pretty, they don't work. Pretty doesn't get us money. So you try all these things. We all did. 99% of the time it fails. How do we know? Just Google it. Do 99% of all day traders lose money? 99% of all day traders lose money. So if this doesn't work, and we know it doesn't, then what do? Gee, I don't know. If you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. If you do something right enough, the safety trade system, long enough, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year or more, the end results are you'll be a consistently profitable trader. Period. That's it. Some people still don't get this. I swear. You have to understand, if you do something right enough, if you learn how to tie your shoes from your mother and father for 1 year, you'll be able to tie your shoes. If you eat right, exercise, right? Right. For 1 year, you'll be fitter, you'll lose weight. It's that simple. If you learn the safety trade system for a year, you should be consistently profitable, period. This isn't like optional. So again, you guys can trade raw. Feel free. Whatever. I think it's insanity. Or you can buy the system. The system is this right here. I'll show you exactly what it is. It's only this part right up here. It does not include a sniper. That's $250 a month extra if you want it. But what it does include is enough information, green, 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 red, right here. This right here is utterly, utterly, utterly amazing. Where's my remove drawings? There we go. Now, this right here is what you get. Look at all the reasons why this trade is going to go up. Green means up in our business. We know this is daily on the right, weekly on the left. Green means up, red means down. So if you take a look, you can see, and I'm going to show you something that's so cool and so simple to see. Watch. This is daily. We have our logo starts low. We can start it down here. Came up, arch, came back down, came back down, came back down. That's our logo, the up logo. You can come over to here, well, depending on where you want to start it. Started below, came up, so on. That is the weekly. That's our logo. That's one thing that's green going up. If you click the little thing, you'll see these candles are actually green also. Okay, you can come over here and do the exact same thing. All the candles over here are green. These candles are amazingly accurate. A lot of you sleep on this. You're also going to see the orange line is above over here, and it did its good little dip right there. Then you can see how this line turned from red to green? This is also another indicator. And it's also green over here. You can see the Bach. These two lines right here are green. You can see a broken Bach, which is exceptionally good sign of a win. It's going to go up. You can also see over here lots of green on the weekly. Lots of green. You can also see lots of green over here. Lots of green over here. And these reds are your buy stops. So this would be red and then green, 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 buy, stop, up it goes. Every time you see one of these, it's the same. So again, you can trade totally 100% raw. Good luck. Or you can trade with the system, learn what it is, and here's all the reasons why it works. Number one, we have our logo on what? We have number one, weekly. Number two, logo on the daily. Then we have the orange line high. Then we have the orange line dip. Then we have the green candles and we have our green candles. Then we go ahead and have our green line change, and then our green line is green. Then we have the Bach being green twice and twice. Then what? Then we have, this is some of the coolest shit you're ever going to find. Then we have our histogram bars and real direction bars, 3 of them. Then over here, we have our histogram bars and 3 of these. We also have what's called a fill in the gap, where there is a space between the green and the yellow right here. And we're up to 21, and we can get up to we can get up to 31 reasons. And technically, when you trade NAS and SPX US 30, you can actually get over 90 reasons why to take the trade. There's 21 reasons saying that this trade is going to go up. 21 reasons. 1, 7, 8. There's 21 reasons why this trade will go up, why this trade went up, why it's going to go up, and it's just over and over and over again. And this is just the core. If you add the add-on, the optional add-on, if you want to get it for $250 a month, this trade right here now becomes more. Now we have an additional blue line high, pink line low, another pink line low, another blue line high, pink line low.
So now we're up to 26 reasons on NAS why we're looking for buy stops until this pink line goes up and touches the blue. There's 26 reasons to look for buy stops and not sells. Same for the daily, pink to the blue. I'm not saying it won't go down. When I say a buy stop, it literally means it has to go down to form these buy stops. But we're only going to play the part that goes up because these overriding, these are like your masters. These are like the rulers of the known universe. The weekly and the dailies are your gods of what you're trading with. These are the ones that tell you exactly which way it's going to go long term. This is what you trade. Now, if you say, well, I can't remember all these things, that's all great. That's all amazing, Kev, but I can't remember all those. Well, we have different signal services, and Lord help me, I have to hunker down on those myself because I keep too many open. I have like 12 or 13 different things open. It's not good. So we come over to here. I'm going to look for, which one is this? Weekly, daily? Let me see. I'll just do a weekly, daily one then. And let's see. We can do, and we'll put this one on, and let me see. I love the daily hourly though too. I got to do it. Weekly, daily. Yep, that one too. Freedom weekly, daily, that one too. See, I can't stop. And then almost like we can get that later. All right, so we come over to here. Ha! Told you. So look, the very last time there was a daily buy stop called. See? So there's a daily buy stop called. This one right here needs to be turned off. Hold on, let me. That's the hourly, I'm sure. Hold on. This one right here. Yep, there you go. Okay. So look, it calls it out. So all this information is coded into this signal service by the great Keith Palmer into this one signal. So again, if you're having trouble on whether or not I should take a trade, I love when new people, especially new members, get the signal service. Ranges from 150 to 350 a month. And I need to make a page on that. Hold on. Sorry, hold on one second. Make page explaining all optional add-ons. Okay. All right. So yes, everything we go over, all of these reasons are coded into the signals. And then the signals are sent. Oh, this is so great. I'm so excited. Into our signal room. And we have a variety of different signal rooms. There's a shit ton of signals. An ungodly amount of signals are generated. 50 plus since yesterday. There's usually 100 or something every couple of days. It's crazy how many signals. And they're all, as far as I'm aware, all accurate. All very, very accurate. And that's how the signal service came about over the last year of my life, Bree's life, and Keith's life. It's taken us a year to get these signals perfected, but they're perfected. They're as good as any signals in the history of anything, better than any signals, let's be honest. And it's not me. I give God all the glory, all the credit. Crazy accurate signals. Crazy accurate signals. And this is why I'm only looking for buys on NAS and SPX and US 30. Again, will it go down? It has to go down to make the higher time frame buy stops. I hope that helps some of you see things. I hope you're a little, still love this one. Hold on, let me get back over here. Oh, NAS did dip. SPX did dip. Let's see. Look, did dip. Sell. Hold on. Let me see if we can get it. 1 second. 1 second, 5 second sell stop to the 5 second blue line. US 30. 10 second sell. 15 second sell. 30 second sell. 1 minute buy. 1 minute, 3 minute buy. 5 minute sell. 10 minute sell. That was the arch up, by the way, I drew out earlier this morning. This is the dip down right now. 30-minute buy, US 30. Love the 30-minute buy, US 30. Needs to come down just a little bit more to go below our yellow and green. We need this to come down I would prefer this to happen. Let me make this a little thinner. I would prefer price action to do this right here. About that low. Then we're going to see our yellow line here. We'll enter somewhere around here. When this goes up like this, and that's what I would wait for. Now, again, this might be rushed because of the news. That'd be awesome. US 30, 30-minute buy stop. Love the trade. If you can enter in off the 15-minute, nope. Can you enter off the 1 hour? Too high. 2 hour, too high. 10-minute? Nope. 5-minute. Not really. You might. It's a little hard. This needs to dip more. It needs to do what I drew out. It needs to come down. This is the up part. Up part. Now it needs to come down like that, and then we can get in again. But we need that dip on US 30. Let's see if we can get a better entry on NAS. Come on, little NASy boy. Let's see. Move this out of the way. NAS. Let me see. 1 second sell stop to the blue line. 5 second buy stop to the blue line. 10 second buy stop to the blue line. 15 second buy stop to the blue line. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell to the 3-minute blue line. 3-minute sell towards the 5-minute blue line. Again, I don't know if we're going to get enough boost on that one. Let's see. 30-minute buy. 1 hour. Beautiful. Love the buy. Back to the buy on NAS, like I said earlier. 20,240. Demo only. Demo only. Demo only. Demo only. Yeah, somewhere around there, though. I do like that one a lot. Very much so. Beautiful buy on NAS. 1 hour buy on NAS as it goes down. If it goes down much further, which I'm going to go and say probably not, follow the trade down. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour buy, 4 hour buy. Could fall a little bit more on the 7, 12 hour. Beautiful daily buy. Perfect daily, weekly buy. We're already up over 200 and whatever. It's almost 300 pips on NAS. I'm thrilled with that. SPX, let's go through it. Oh, shit, on the 1 second. 5 second sell. 10 second to the blue line sell. 15 second to the blue line sell, SPX. 30 second, 1 minute buy to the blue line. 1 minute buy to the blue line. 5 minute sell towards it. 3 minute, yeah. I don't know if we're going to get it, but you can see a 3 minute ricochet. It already did it. The reason why I don't see it, it's already done it once, twice, 3, 4 times on a ricochet. Can it still do it? Let me see that 5 minute again. Yes, you'll see a little push down. I think they're going to artificially shove it. So when that news comes out, whatever fucking stupid news it was, again, PPI or something, they'll drop it like this and then jerk it back up. That's what I see them doing. Yeah, that's what they'll do. But anywho, let's see where their buy is on SPX. Nope. 1 hour. 1 hour. And you can enter this too. 1 hour buy stop, 5,789 if you're trading demo only. SPX. Love the little trade. I still, out of all of them, US 30 has gone up too much already. It's going to take a little pullback to get into. NAS. I like NAS out of all three of these. Usually it's NAS or SPX. And or could be both. But yeah, beautiful NAS. I like this. Now I'm not going to enter it in again. I've already got 3. Now, if it dips down really hard and far, hell yeah, I'll enter in it. How far can they dip it? 12 hour? I can see them pulling it down to here on NAS, 19,847. If they do, I will re-enter the trade. Anything below here, anything below 19,895, I'll re-enter the trade. Let's hope for a nice, big, juicy pullback. I'm not even sure this is enough. Let's take that out of there. This is what I want to see happen. We'll probably stay somewhere around the 3-minute, 1-minute time period. Let's hope for this big ass pull down here. That'll make Hajit happy. And then we'll see about making the buy stop after that. That's what we'll be looking for. I don't think I'm going to stay at the 5-minute level, though. I'm not a big 5-minute fan. 3-minute, perhaps. Yeah. 30-second. 1 minute. Yeah, this is a nice little sell right here. And then you have your 5-second, 15-second. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. 3-minute. Yeah. Yeah, I can see the exact same thing and probably better on this SPX 3-minute. I could just see that happening. So let's hope for a nice, strong pull down where they try to collect everybody's stop losses. They can't get mine. Mine are too far down. And then might take profits technically. And then, yeah, then we'll wait and see if we can get immediately in and do a little buyback. So, yeah, calling for whatever CPI, PPI, NFP, ABC News, CBS, CNN News, whatever fucking news it is. I want to see a pullback towards the SPX 3-minute line or the NAS's 5-minute line. And then we'll see about re-entry probably immediately when they jerk it down. It might be within 30 seconds to 2 minutes or something. I might jump in again. I said I wasn't going to do it. Let me make sure I'm set up for NAS. My MT4, baby. There we go. So Harjeep still might get his 5-minute sell to the blue line. That'd be nice. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, John. And good morning, Brian Claus. All right. What did we miss? A few things this morning. I don't think anything earth-shattering. It was very good training, though. There was some good training in there. Remember, never trade news, never trade market open, never trade with real money, demo only. Okay? Before you post any trades in the Discord, I'm going to have to start enforcing this rule big time. You need to do up like I did with the drawings. So you give your reasoning of why you took the trade. Otherwise, don't post your pictures in there. I'm going to have Tommy post one up. He did some good trades. He's an exception. No one else is going to get the exception. I mean, Keith would too, but he doesn't post trades. So start drawing it out. Let me see. Okay. All right. Remember, always thank God for everything you have in your life, good or bad, is just the way it is. I may not reach every one of you like I want to, but it doesn't stop me from trying. Testimonials in the Discord, there's a shit ton. We already did the trademark to this. I have a little list here. Sometimes I check it. Most times I don't. The rules, yep. Show the website, yep. Sniper signals, yep. Unlearn to relearn, record your sessions. It's all in the rules. Anyone's new here, you can speak up. The only way you're going to truly master the system is by teaching it. I used to try to get you guys on here. That didn't work out well because you guys were all too shy. We are stand ambassadors. That's a good point. We have solved the trading issue. The 99% loss rate for all traders. Bree and I, with the great Keith Palmer coding for us, have solved the trading issue. Meaning, we have 3 stores on Stan. Stan is just like a shop, like Shopify, online store. We have 3 of them with them. We're extremely successful in those stores. So much so, Bree and I, we have a core group of people in our group now, a few hundred people. We don't ever have to trade again. We don't ever have to allow anyone into the group anymore. We can close down the group and live extremely comfortable off the 3 Stan stores, thanks to God. If you throw in my trading, which seems to be doing okay most of the time, I guess we'd be okay even further. Point being, y'all should be very thankful to God. All of you should be thankful to God, and myself included, that I actually brought this system to market so you guys can actually get it. Also be very, very grateful that I shared not just what I do. I'm always constantly trying to help you all improve, trying to get you all to see things better, help you to make your trades better. It's I always come on once or twice a day, most days. Now this evening, obviously, Bree and I are going to be having fun at an event. And then tomorrow, probably not either. But, most days I'm on trying to help you all out. So please understand that our Stan stores are extremely profitable. We have record number of people signed up for emails, record number of everything, new members in the group. The system is just growing and growing and I think we're going to hit a point where it's just going to explode growth. Right now, it's been a controlled growth, like a niche. But I just have a feeling that this thing's just going to go wild. It's just going to go, which we can't allow. When it starts getting up to thousands of new members a month, we're not going to allow that. Hundreds of new members a month, yes. But we will stop when we start getting thousands of new members a month. We're not doing that. That's a fact. We don't need the stresses. We just want to help many people as we can comfortably, help you guys. Again, we had one of our members just announce his upcoming retirement from his job in the Discord. That's all. We're just after people, getting you out of the rat race, helping you make your money. There's no reason why would you take a second job when you can make all the money you want to make from here? You really can. This is an unlimited potential. You tell me another job where you can make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in a few seconds, which, Lord willing, in the next half hour you'll see me do. It's impossible to do. Jobs just don't pay like that. Any job. So hopefully we can help you all get to the point of retirement where you don't have to work anymore, or work where you want to work, or donate your time and then make so much money that you can actually gift away to different, maybe family members or charities, whatever you like. I always believe charity brings at home, though. Starts at home. Okay. SPX 1 minute buy happening. Good morning, boss. Don, did you hear my talk? You better go back and listen about Good morning. Good morning, Don. Please go back and listen about Costco. I talked about Costco a lot. Let me see. Someone's saying SPX is doing something. SPX has already hit it. Yeah. 1 minute buy, stop SPX. This is a ricochet. I'll pull this off to the side. We'll come back to that. I really hope they don't jerk this up before 8:30. Ricochet buy, stop SPX back to its blue line. US 30 is also a ricochet buy stop. It's not to its blue line. Hey, speaking of which, is this being called out? Hold on, let me see if yeah, this should be called. Yeah, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. What's this on? Oh, it can't call it. It's on the wrong time frame. Hold on. Now let's see. Is this SPX? What is this? 10 seconds. Oh, jeez. All right, there we go. 5 second sell on SPX, but ultimately buy stop. You can put a buy stop on SPX, 5,785 buy stop SPX. Now let me see what this is about. Is there a current? Hold on, I can't see it. Hold on. Still can't see it. Hold on. Yeah, there should be a current safety trade. No, there should be a current one on the minute, and it's not showing that. Damn it. It's not showing that. So it is showing a 10-second safety trade. It's a sell stop to the blue line, right? So it's showing a sell stop, and then the 5 second is probably the same. Right, 5 second sell stop to the blue line, 10. So it's showing those correctly. But it needs to really be catching this one. That is weird. Why is it not seeing the 1 minute? It still should be showing. It's still red. Interesting. I'll have to tell Keith that too, so we can troubleshoot our little sniper rifle. Interesting. It's calling out the 5 second, 10 seconds. We knew it called out that 30 second, but it's missing the 1 minute. It missed the 5 minute. I knew that. See, so for instance, if we go over to NAS, it should be showing the 5. Yeah. Should be showing the 5 minute, right? Because that was a clear 5 minute sell. Yeah. No. So it's a 3 minute. Oh, 3 minutes already past its thing. Interesting on that. Things that make you say, Interesting. Yeah, there you go. Good call. Who called this? Brian Claus. Brian Claus, well, you're already in the money on SPX on your call. So excellent call, Brian. Thank you, sir. Excellent call. Oh, I get a little tired, guys. I guess I'll stay on. Is today? Yeah, today's Friday. I'll stay on with you, even though I'm a little tired. Excellent call, Brian. Look, Brian says 1 minute buy in profit. Look at Brian Claus. You go, Brian. Everyone gives standing ovation to Brian Claus. Standing O, standing O. I actually have to get up. Yep, there we go. Yay, Brian. Perfect call. See how people can read the charts? Yay, Brian calls. Nice. Is my TikTok still rolling? All around the world. Gonna get it. Yeah, it's still going. Okay. Yay, Brian. See? I think we're going to have a touchdown. Close enough. That's close enough for me. Touchdown, touchdown. We have a TD. We have a TD. Look at that shit. Let me zoom in a little bit to make sure I'm not exaggerating. There it is. This is the power of the system. Congratulations to Brian Claus. Wow. Brian to Brian. Good job. Amazing, bro. Look at that call. Look at that call. Called live by one of our members. Look at it. Any haters out there want to call Brian a liar that he just didn't call this trade? Look at it. Woo! It ain't just going up there, baby. It's going up higher. Higher. Straight up will climb. That'll be shot. See, there's Naz. Told ya. Told ya. There goes Naz. Woo! This is too early. This is bad. I wanted this to happen after the news. Fuck. Well, nonetheless, there you go. Brian Claus. Okay. So Brian made us money on SPX. He called it here. It's up there. Are you kidding? 7 pips on SPX pre-market open is exceptionally good. At the same time, whether he knew it or not, he called it here and here. 30 pips on NAS. Brian Claus just made 37 pips plus another. I can't even see because they're so stupid with how they put their little boxes. Hold on. Plus another, let's just say 40. So let's just say 40 and 40, 80 pips. Brian Claus, congratulations to Brian Claus. Unbeknownst to him, he didn't know US 30 and NAS were going to do the same thing, but he got it. And there's SPX. Made all of us 80 pips. Thank you, Brian Claus. Can I put his at? Where's that at? Can I reply to him? Let's see. Reply. Thank you for making us all over 80 pips. Awesome job. See? Boop, boop. Can I put that up there? Yeah. There you go. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Now, I know people are going to say, I can't see your thing. Hold on. This should drag it up. There you go. Now, can you guys see it? Yes. Now you guys see it. Okay. Around the world. Awesome job. Say again how the system doesn't work. Say again how people can't find. Say again how I'm the only one. Are you giving me a break? Brian Claus just called out a trade on SPX. Happened to work on NAS 2. Happened to work on US 32 because they always work together. And there's a NAS. I told you it's going to be really hard. They're going to have to make the news drop it down. You know how they do their scam little movement down, try to collect people's stop losses. Then they bop it right back up again. That's what they're going to have to do, I believe, at the news. Nice. What's up, Glow? Good morning, Glow. Mike Glowinski. What's up, Mike? Was waiting on that NAS. Thanks, Brian. Nice. Larry Cooper. See you getting some applause out there, Brian. Thank you, sir. And there you go. Now, I'm kind of hoping that it doesn't keep going up before because we really need this thing to fall down. Whatever. Everyone around the world. We might not get the pull down that I want. I don't know. I can only wish for you guys. Is all I can do. By the way, everyone look, that nice movement up on NAS and that nice movement up on SPX. Look at it. If you go down to the 30-second, right? 15-second, 10-second, it looks huge. It looks huge. It looks crazy huge. It looks like, wow, this moved up a lot. And then you go right over here to your 1 hour, and it's not even like a speck. I just think that's wild. People get too emotionally involved when it comes to the movements they see. When they get wrapped up in the little time periods, they go nutsoid. Oh, it's moving so big. You called the buy, went down huge. Yeah, I am calling a buy. I don't give two fucks if it goes down. I'll get back in again. And of course, we can't get back in. I'm not going to take that trade. Not unless it dips, which evidently it doesn't want to dip. All around the world. This is another. You're going to see this pink line cross the purple. You're going to see it come up. You'll see price action come up with it. The news that is upcoming. See how it crossed right here? You can see it already crossed right here and it's coming up. You're about to see it cross right here and come up again on US 30. There you go. See how it rose up? And then this is coming up with the sniper. The sniper is incredible. That's all I can tell you. But anywho, do not play the upcoming news. Just stay out of it. Lock in profit if you have some money open. Just lock it in and then just wait. I'll be playing intra-candle during the news, meaning I'm going to get in and probably out of trades super fast and furiously, okay? So if you're not prepared to move fast, do not demo trade with me. Of course, you're only permitted to trade demo. Like I'm in your play. I can't control what you guys do at home. But legally, all I'm allowed to say is you have to trade demo. Gold did the same thing at 6:30. Oh, sweet. Let's take a look. Good morning, Mike Glowinski's. Like there's multiples. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Thanks for the thing. Let's go, Brian. Gold did the same thing. Good morning, Linda Brown. Santa Claus. That's funny, Ken. Good morning, Linda Brown. Gold did the same thing. Let's take a look. Shall we? Gold did the same thing. Looks like gold is doing the same thing. 15-second buy stop on gold. Let's see. He was on 30 seconds. I don't know. You have to have your time in Athens time. Otherwise, it doesn't do us any good. And that isn't to the blue line, but yeah. Yeah, gold's a buy. Am I in the money on my gold yet? Oh, so close to in the money on gold. So close to in the money on AUD USD, the first purchase. Almost. Gold. Look how close. Told you. I'll explain the gold trade. It's the easiest thing on earth. Dodge USD trade. This NAS trade literally was just done because of the weekly daily. It was nothing else. And the same for gold for that matter too. It was just done because of the daily. And this gold been in for a minute. This buy. Nice. Keep making that money. I ain't going to say no. I just wanted to dip for your guys' sake, not for mine. You're in the money on the buy on the gold call right here. Easy peasy. Yeah, it's going to go up and fill this gap in. You're going to see gold go up. You're going to see price go up. You're going to see this green histogram go up. You're going to see this pink come up, cross this purple, and go up to the blue. It's going to take a while. This is on the minute chart, but nonetheless, that's what you'll see gold do over the next little bit. See it? See it coming up. Da 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 da. Good morning, Linda. Hey, Kim. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? What's up, Kim? What's up, D Nice? What's up, Annie Apple? What's up, Little Joe? Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, is that Michelle Galinsky? Sorry, Michelle. I think I missed Michelle. Hold on. And good morning, Big D. There it is. You see it going up before your very eyes, as I called out for you, as brought to my attention by Brian, by the way, just so we're clear. See, this is coming up. It's going to cross. This is going to fill in, and price is going to go up. Again, very simple. See it? There you go. See how the pink came up? This filled in, and this is price going up to fill it in. See that? This is the 30-second time period. It's doing the same thing on the 1 minute. It's just going to take forever to do it. That's all. It's slow go. Here, watch. You'll see this pink line come up now. See it? You're going to see this histogram bar come up. See it? And you see price going up on gold. See it? Who else trades like this? Now, I know Kim the Gold Queen has a name. She has a reputation. But the system is the only thing on earth that does what you just saw. This was down low. This is coming up. This is coming up. This is you would have entered in off the orange line right here, and this is what you would have made on gold. This will eventually fill in the gap just like it did here on the 30-second. See how it was a gapped green to the thing? Pink coming up, price goes up. Everything predicted beforehand. I told you it was going to do before it did it. You're dealing with 30-second trades, by the way. So I wouldn't exactly hold this forever. Just take your money and run. Take one, close one down, and leave one open. Now I happen to have, hey, am I in the money on gold now? Hold on. Oh, come on. Really? I'm still $8 negative on my first gold trade. That's okay because we're up 15,000 on the other one, so we're good. This is my gold trade I'm whining about right here. This is bought just from the sheer fact that the daily was down low. This gold trade was bought, well, a while ago, over a month ago. And then we have AUD USD, which isn't positive yet, but I think we're going to get about 100 pips on this one. We do have the AUD from yesterday. We're up 21 pips on that. This is bought, again, I'm just proving points that you don't even need entrances. That's all I'm doing. I'm just proving points that you do not need exact entrances. Look, there it goes, see? Pink line cross, pink line coming up. Boom, there it is. This is closing the gap on the thing. Is this the coolest shit ever? Morning, D Nice. Good morning, Johnny Green. Sevens, if you guys think what I just showed you and explained to you and told you before it happened, who the fuck else does that? Who the fuck else does that? Look, there's your closure, by the way. You should have closed down the trade when it hit that. Or you can wait till it goes up here and hits this, either or. Isn't sevens, if you think that's the coolest thing ever? I mean, is there another trader that trades down to the fucking 30-second, 15-second, 1 minute, hell, 5 seconds? I give God all the glory. I think that is so fucking cool. I'm sorry. I think it's so fucking cool. And that's it. You guys could have rode that trade on gold and made all the money in the world and retired in one trade. Do you have balls big enough to do it? Not likely. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Annie Apple again. There it is. Now, what you're seeing here on a 30-second and 1 minute buy stops, right, is the exact same thing of why I took the trade on the gold daily. Now, granted, we missed the first time best, was the second time off, but I'm just going to wait until this green hits in here or until the pink comes up on the blue. The gold daily is no different than this 1 minute. See how the green filled in the gap? Look, let me show you something. Let's pull these open so you can't be mistakenly weirded or whatever you're thinking. Look, this right here, and I know I got a lot of writing, can't get rid of it either. That's just life. Look, this right here is just a slower version of what you just saw me call out live right here. That's all it is. There's no difference between these two other than the time. This is a daily trade that takes a long time. This was a 30-second, 1 minute, or in this case, a 1 minute trade. It took a few minutes. This will take a few days. I'm already up because of the last time it did it. What was it, like $14,000 on the trade? Because of this one that went up. Okay. That was called out by our freaking amazing, almost holy grail signals. I'm so excited. And now it's going to do it again. And then this, does everyone see that? Yes or no? No, no balls. That's my downfall. Mine too, Kim. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Oh, news. Let's get back to news. Sorry, I got a little carried away. Hold on. Let me get rid of these things. Let's go back to news. All right. So we have news. It's going to go hopefully nice and busy and parabolic and everything. We need a strong dip. Oh, I don't think we're going to get it. Buy stop 1 minute to the blue line NAS. Yeah, I still say it. Love this trade. I've been saying love this buy stop. You're going to force me to get in this fucking trade. Okay, nobody trade the news. First of all, demo trade if you're going to trade the news. Buy stop 1 minute to the blue line NAS. If they pull this down, which I hope they do. Hey, what happened to my big drawing? Fucking lost my drawing. Look, I really want them to do this. I want them to do this, and I want them to drag this down like that. That's what I'm preferring, and then we'll get in somewhere around there. This is what I want to see happen. That. Now, if it doesn't and it only goes straight up, I can't make you guys any money. So whether it happens on NAS, whether that pullback happens on SPX, or whether that happens on US 30, it's going to be artificial. The only official call I'm making is a 1 minute buy stop for NAS, period. I'm calling buy stops for US 30 NAS and SPX on the basically 1 hour level buy stop. I need them to pull it back down so you guys can make some money on this, because right now we already had what's his face call out for us the buy stops that you're currently in, but that does Brian Claus called that. Okay, so right, D Nice, what's up, D Nice? Thank you, D Nice. So hopefully with core PPI we can get a nice pullback, a wrong against the flow, against the river pullback, and then we'll get in. Whether it's NAS, SPX, or US 30, all three of them, we need it to pull down first. Otherwise, buy stop 1 minute, don't play it, demo trade only if you're going to do it. I might go in again on NAS if it pulls down hard. If I don't see that, I'm not going to play NAS. Let me make sure I'm set up on NAS. Hold on. Yes. Okay. Let me make sure we got our little buttons over here. Yep. Okay. That's it. There isn't a buy I'm going to call, even though there are some buys available. You can play a 5 minute sell. And this is what I really wanted to do, just so we're clear. I would say 5. So let's do NAS's because this was called out by one of our members. Let's hope we get the NAS pull down to the 5 minute blue line. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. They'll jerk it down real hard to the 5 minute blue line of NAS, and then maybe we can get in that buy. That would be nice. I don't think we're going to see it though. Definitely not on US 30. But let's see. I'm not here to argue. Let's just play it out by ear, and I'm going to move quick. All right. So if they pull it down to the 5 minute blue line on NAS, you can take that sell if you want. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, but I'm not calling a sell. If it does it, great. I'm going to look for that as my buy signal in. I hope I'm clear on that. I'm looking for a buy. I want to pull back for a buy. I'm already in 2 buys on NAS. We're up almost 32,000. Fuck, that's amazing. And then 27 pips, and then 300 pips, 319 pips to be exact on the other NAS. All right, we got a little less than a minute, and we should be into the news. Let's go, core PPI. Let's make some money, peeps. It's going to move fast. It's going to move furiously. Demo money only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, but boy, is it fun. Here we go. Let's have some fun. Let's see a pullback. Let's see a pull down. Let's see a pull down. I don't want it to go shooting straight up. We need it to pull down. 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 Come on down. Come on down. We need it further down than that. That is not far enough down. Come on down. Come on down. The price is right, baby. Go down. Let's go down further. Come on. And it's up. Well, we hit our fucking 1 minute blue line. There you go. Go on down. Go on down. No, go down. No. Don't go up. That's not far enough down. That's not far enough down. Don't go back up. That's not cool. Ah, fuck. Nope. It's going to go up, I think. We're fucked. Well, there's our money. Well, there you are. Damn, that didn't go low enough. It needs to go down further. Damn, sorry, guys. I couldn't even get in. I couldn't get in. There's your money. You're in the money. There it is. That's thanks to Brian Claus, by the way. Look at that. In the money on NAS, SPX. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Hold on. Did any of the other ones drop? And no. SPX is huge. And no. Fuck. All the buys made money. All the buys made money. Nothing we can call. Fuck. Well, I mean, I called it, but nothing you can trade. It didn't go down low enough. Well, for me. Now, am I going to complain on this trade? No. Look at how much more money I just made. Holy shit. That is nice. Keep on going up. But I was trying to get you guys in the trade. That's all. Damn. Sorry about that. I can't control the market. There's only so much I can do. But I'm going to take that money. That's beautiful money right there. 330 pips up on NAS. Yeah. Wow. Fuck. I mean, it was a little dip down, but nowhere near the 5 minute. I'm not touching it. Yeah, nowhere near that. Well, beautiful little pull up to the 1 minute blue line. Made money on SPX thanks to Brian Claus. Made money on NAS thanks to Brian Claus. Made money in US 30 thanks to Brian Claus. The NAS one was the obvious one. Let me explain why this worked the way it did. Okay. When you have, and this is how I play this, listen clearly. I'm going to take this off for you guys for a second. This is going to be some good information just for you guys. This is going to be, when I say good information, you need to write this down. Information. Okay. When you see US 30 over its blue, let me get over to 3 charts. Hold on. Can you guys see all these? Is the question. We can get rid of this. That was a big no-go. Yeah, PPI suck news. All right, we're going to come over to here. I'm going to put US 30 there. I'm going to put SPX here, and I'm going to put NAS here. Okay, so we're going to make this 1 minute. We're going to make this 1 minute, and we're going to make this 1 minute. All right, now look. Listen to me and listen clearly. I'm going to write this out for you. Pay attention to what I'm about to teach you. This is extremely important. And this goes for any time period using US 30 NAS and SPX. I don't have any room to draw this. Can you guys see it over there? No. Listen to what I'm going to tell you and teach you right now. Listen to this. Write this out. Pay attention to exactly what I'm telling you. That was my third time telling you the same thing. Listen, write this out. This is going to change how a lot of you trade. Here we go. When US 30, NAS, and SPX does this. One, this is just what happened. US 30 is above its 1 minute blue line. Two, SPX is above its 1 minute blue line. Three, I'm giving you the order of operations. Listen to what I'm doing for you. I'm freely giving you the order of operations for what the H&H signal scanner is going to be calling, and it did it today. And NAS has a 1 minute buy stop to its 1 minute blue line. Take that freaking demo trade every time. It's set up like this. So I don't know if you guys can see all that on TikTok. I think you can. Listen to what I'm telling you. Listen to this. Please type out a 7 if you understand what I'm saying. If you don't, I'm going to keep explaining it to you. Listen, this is extremely important. You had a buy stop on US 30, right? All the way down to here on your everything is a buy stop. It's above its blue line. You had a buy stop. Well, this is a fill in the gap, but a buy stop SPX above its 1 minute blue line. You had a buy stop sniper fill in the gap to its 1 minute blue line. Understand this. This is what the fucking signal service is going to be calling for you guys every time this happens on the H&H scanner. It's going to be this. It's going to be 2 above, 1 below with a buy stop to it. I can't be any clearer than that. This is an amazingly, morning Grant, amazingly accurate way to trade. So if you're having all this trouble, it doesn't matter whether it's 1 minute, it doesn't matter whether it was on 5 minutes, it doesn't matter whether it was on 1 hours. If there's 2 1 hours above and the third one's coming to the 1 hour, take that trade and it's going to be called out on the new H&H scanner that way for you. And it just doesn't, it didn't miss today. Oh, it's going down. Ricochet, buy stop, NAS, back to its 1 minute blue line. And all three will go up also, by the way, when the one is called. Any combination. Only on NAS, SPX, and US 30. Yes, that's why we trade them as one. That's why we have the H&H scanner. Any combination. Doesn't matter which one's first. Could be SPX, could be NAS, could be US 30. Doesn't matter. Correct. Any of the three. Correct. Now, please take your time, write this down, print it out, maybe just do it by hand and put it in front of your computer. Because if you take this trade, I'm so glad it happened this morning. If you take this trade, it's going to win 99 out of 100 times. God can do whatever he wants to do. But this is why we're creating the H&H scanner, is because this is a truthism. This is a, hold on, the safety, this one. And let's go over to here. Log in, really? Hold on one second. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the scanner. Okay. Blue line scanner here. This is our blue line scanner. I don't bring it much anymore because we're updating it a lot. We're really, really updating it. This right here is the scanner, the US 30, the NAS SPX. You're going to notice that sometimes one of them's below while the other two is above. Well, there's a signal for that coming. It's going to go into a signal room, a free upgrade from Bria and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. But it's coming. And then that exact trade that you just saw will be a signal to you. And it works. It's so fucking amazing. It works unbelievably. Okay. Oh, yeah. Kim, you can play that sucker. As soon as you saw this setup like it was, you could have put it right there. You could just went in right in market execution. Yes. Absolutely. 100% yes. Easy peasy, yes. Now I got to switch these back. Let me fix everything again. All right. That's it. I left that up. I went over that 3 times for you, over 3 times for you. Hold on. Sync symbol. There we go. Now let's go over to NAS. There we go. All right. US 30. Oh, yeah, baby. Now let's hope we can maybe even pull off a sell to the 5-minute blue line for Harjit. Yeah, you can enter this trade. You'd already made money if you'd entered it way back here where you should have. But anyhow, buy stop. Now, this is what they do, just so we're all clear. Before market open, we have about 45 minutes, 40 minutes. They're going to do this. They're going to pull it down again and then bring it back up. So let's hope they bring it down a good bit. So now we can get a little more. It is a ricochet buy stop on the 1-minute NAS, but I'd like it to pull down a good bit more for us so that when market open happens, we can get into this 1-hour beautiful buy stop again on NAS. That's what I'd like. I know the 1 minutes are fun and all that, but the hourly is what you want to be, hour, 2 hour, that kind of trade. All right. So that was fun. It wasn't much, though, kind of a little boring, a little letdown. All right. Any symbols anybody want me to check? I think someone asked me for symbols earlier. I missed it. Any other symbols you want me to go over or check? Go ahead and ask now, please. I wish gold would finish going up a little bit more just so I can see my positive trade. Oh, so within $6. Oh, $13. With $13 of being there. Come on, little gold. Nasatron. Trading. That's more than meets the eye. Optimus. Nasatron. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold. All right, Brian, I'll look at gold. I'd rather look at stuff we haven't looked at, though. All right, the way you look at charts, according to the rules, all you ever do is weekly left, daily right. If we look at our charts, can't even see the fucking price action. You have a weekly chart. This is the first thing you do is you go, is the blue line high and pink line low? No. Is the blue line dipped with it? No. So this is now no longer a weekly, daily. We have to switch from weekly, daily to daily on the left, 4 hour on the right. Now let's see what we have. Do we have a blue line high, pink line low? Yes, we do on the daily. So this is gold. Do we have a blue line low? Yes, we do. Do we have a buy stop? We do. Is this also a 7 hour though? I don't know. It is. Is it a 12 hour? It is not. It is a 7 hour, 12 hour. So there you go. So we have blue line low on a 7 hour. We have a buy stop right here. Buy stop you put in right where I put the line at, and you're in the money. That's it. So that's how you read gold. Now, how long do you stay in this trade for? You would stay in this trade until this pink blue line down here goes all the way up to this blue one on the daily. Once that happens, you can get out. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and do this right here. You can stay in the trade until you saw me do it on the 1 minute just a few minutes ago, where this green goes up and touches this yellow. It's not a very good one. You should open up two, close one down when it does this, because usually like this, it keeps going up and keeps going up and keeps going up. So that's how long you take profit after the pink here goes up on the sniper to the blue orange, or until the core histogram bar goes up and touches its yellow, or until you make enough money you're not a greedy pig. Any one of those. So I'd play any buy stop you can on gold until this happens. Until what happens? I'd play any buy stop on gold until this pink line goes up and touches this blue and orange. Now, if you're asking me how to hunt for those, I can. Oh yeah, gold daily and GBP daily. Is that the same as a sell on the three indices with two? Yeah, correct, Johnny. That is the same, Johnny Green. Very good observation. Exact same thing holds true. 100% of the time, it'll do it. That's why we're having a signal service based on that free upgrade for you, okay? Now going over order, I mischief here. Gold daily already did for you. The fuck out of here with your spam. GBP JPY, we already did that one also, but let's go over to GBP JPY daily. Well, it's already pulled up too much, but if you want to look at the weekly, we can check that out. Yeah, so this is no longer a daily one. The blue line's already touched up. This would be a weekly, monthly buy stop on GBP JPY, right? You don't have all the numbers and visuals on the monthly. You don't have enough history, but it's there, and that's your weekly. Now let's look at what he's asking. Poor Don. Avgo and Dell. Avgo. Let's look at Avgo. 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 I guess this one. Broadband. Never heard of it. Yeah, everyone yells at me. You should know this is this. I don't fucking care and don't want to know. Daily buy. Perfection. Don, before I read this, I need you to answer a question. Do you currently have the safety trade system? Yes or no? Do you currently have the sniper? Yes or no? Are you currently paying for the sniper? Yes or no, Don? And are you currently paying for the system and you're currently paid up on the system, Don? Yes or no? Is that the same as a sell? Yes. No. Okay. I keep calling out trades for you, Don, and I know you were a member in the past. I think it would be only fair that you get the system and purchase it, because I don't mind calling out trades over and over and over again. I do mind when people who are making money and can afford to buy the system doesn't buy the system. That is a very pet peeve of mine. I truly believe you put your money where your mouth is. If you're on here, I'm helping you make, and trust me on that one, your Costco one. Yeah, we can get in a little more detail on that for you. And I don't mind helping people, but when you're making money, you can afford it. And obviously you can't afford to get the system. You need to buy the system. Yeah, come on, Don. I was with and rejoining the group. Yeah. Now, if you rejoin the group or you're going to rejoin the group soon, that's awesome, because it's kind of like the law of fair exchange. If all people do is take, and they don't give back, That's kind of bullshit. That's going to come back and haunt you. So let's just go ahead and $575 for the year isn't going to make or break you by any stretch of the imagination. You have $500,000 worth of Costco. I know you can afford it. So go ahead and do that. And I would strongly recommend you do the thing too. Again, this isn't, oh, he's being mean. No, I just can't stand when people don't support what they believe in. If you believe in Walmart, shop at Walmart's. If you believe at Maggiano's Italian Eatery, which is the best fucking food, then go there and eat. Give them your money. If you believe in the safety trade system, go not just there, not just Don. There's a lot of you. I had to ban a couple people not too long ago for them doing what's going on. Is go over to the YouTube channel and buy some of the merchandise. Even if you don't need the sniper, buy the sniper. Even if you don't need the system, buy the system. If it's made you money and it's helping you, support the system. That's all. I'm back with you, Kevin. I'm hurt in a disability, but we'll be back with you. Nice. Praying for you, by the way. I hate for anyone to be hurt. Love Maggiano's. They closed it down in Ohio, and this is why the Cleveland Browns suck. See, Ohio. My family's from Ohio. I'm from Ohio. My sister lives in Ohio. They make the dumbest decisions. They closed down a Maggiano in Ohio. Ugh. Maggiano's Little Italy, their ravioli, 4-cheese ravioli is the extra. It melts in. I don't even eat carbs, and I cut off the little, pasta stuff on the side, and I eat just the cheesy part with some of the pasta on the top. It is so fucking good. Their steak they have there, it's mouth-watering good, and they closed it down in Ohio. Jesus fuck. I swear. What on earth? So yes, we can go from one extreme to the other. I can go from getting on to one of our members not paying for things to talking about Maggiano, talking about the Cleveland Browns. Don't get me started on them. They're making Dallas look good. Dallas sucks. I have no clue why. Yes, I do pray for you, Don. I hope you feel better. Yes. Yes, the Brown sucks. Don't even waste my time watching. Oh, damn. Dallas sucks too. We got lucky against Pittsburgh the other day. All right. Anywho, let's call out Avgo. Shit. What was the other one he wanted? For Don. And prayers for Don too. Where did it go? Dell. He wanted Dell. So here you go. All right. This isn't GBBJPY. Don't look at that. It's Avgo, AVGO over here. So we're looking at Avgo, weekly, daily. Gorgeous one again. Little late on the end, but this is how I'd read this. This is, okay, how do we look at this? This is something that I'm trying to burn into people's head. When you see both this on the sniper and this on the sniper, that's why I took the it was nope, it wasn't the Odd USD one, only had the one. It was the gold one the last time. Look, when you see this right here, pink low, blue high, pink low, blue high, at the same time, take that motherfucking trade every time and 10,000 times on Tuesday because it's psychotically good. Okay, so when these match up, they're going to go up. So my answer for Avgo is this. Take any buy stop you can find, period, from 1 minute through daily, actually through weekly. I would say 3 minute, 3 minute through weekly until the daily pink line goes up, but that isn't enough until the weekly pink line goes up. Now, you are a little late to the party, Don. This is a little late. It's not terribly late, but you should have got in down here, or maybe you did. I don't know. You should have got in down here on this one, right here on this, right there. Coulda, shoulda, woulda's, right? Because this would, when this bottomed out right here, this is going to be a buy stop. Watch right there. Oh, it's this one right here. See, this right here is the bottom.
That's it. This is your buy. You should have been in right here on this one. Look, this right there. This is your buy stop. These are all our rules combined into one. Matter of fact, let me just go over this super quick. Watch. 1, blue line high. 2, pink line low. Blue line low over here. There's a buy stop. Then we go through all the other reasons why this would have gone up. So Don should have gotten in here. It's not too late. It's just better here if he would have got in. We have the logo. You have the green on your candles. I saw it already. We have the orange high. You have the red, which is interesting right here. I'd like to see the higher time frames on this one. Very interesting. This isn't green. This is very, very interesting why this isn't green. Hold on a second. Is we not? Yeah, because we have enough history there. Hold on. Why is this not? Hold on 1 second, guys. I got to see something. Not enough history there. There is enough there. Am I? No, that's what that is. Why on earth? Hold on. It just hasn't crossed this thing. That is interesting. Well, that's an abnormality right here. Abnormality. That's what it is. Very interesting that it hasn't changed the green, but it isn't. So it isn't what it isn't. But yeah, see, these are green. So that is a rarity right here. That is very unusual what you're seeing with this line staying red. Anyhow, all right, let's keep going back to the reasons why this was a good trade right then. It's still fine now. It's just better then. All right. Anywho, then we had our fill in the gap with of course, the amazing red right there that fits in there. Then we have our green histogram bar. Doesn't have the 3 green, but they're there. We do have our 3 green over here. Doop, doop, doop. Then, of course, we have our logo. Then we have the green. Then we have the typical blue, the pink, the orange dropping down. Then we do have our green bar. Then we do have our 2 green. Maybe that's why. Maybe it can't pick up on my Bach. Maybe there's not enough history for the Bach. Anywho, and then we have the pink crossing the blue down here. And so you're up to about 23 reasons why this was a perfect trade back then. Now, was it really? I don't know. Let's flip on our little handy dandy signal service. And what do you know? It called out the buy stop exactly where I said to call out the buy stop. Just like all those reasons were. There it is. Signal service says, signal service says, signal service says, signal service says. So yeah. Now, what can it do currently? Because he doesn't give a shit about what should have been, although you guys can learn from that and take that trade in the future. Now, currently, let's go to currently. What do we see? Currently. I see the daily. So let's go ahead and make this a daily. Since we can't make this a weekly daily, we're going to make the daily our master, the controller, and we're going to go down to the 4 hour and see something. We're going to come over to here. And what do we see? It's going to be back here. Yep. Just missed this one too. So this is the problem. You missed the down of the daily 4 hours. So now we have to make the 4 hour the master. We have to go down to the 1 hour and see if we can find a 4 hour. See, it isn't here yet. So this is my advice to you, Don, and everybody listening. The AVGO place thing. Watch. You need the same exact rules to always apply. Blue line high. This pink line has to come down low before you could take this trade, Don. Have the pink line come down here. When it does, then you're going to see the blue line over here come down on the 1 hour, and then you're going to see a buy stop. So let me literally draw this out for Don and everyone listening so you guys can get exactly what needs to happen before he takes this trade. This thing's going to come down like this right here. It's going to come down there. When this touches right here, this is what it's going to look like over here. Watch. This is exactly. I would not touch the trade until it does this exact draw out that I'm teaching you right now. This is going to come down like this right here with it. It's going to do that. When this comes down like this, we're going to have the 1, the 2, and the 3. What are we missing? We're missing the 4. So watch. We're going to come over to here and we're going to come up to here. This is what's going to happen here. This is going to come down, down, down. Then this is going to turn to red. Don, tell me if this happens in the future. Go ahead and tell me if this happens. Red, red, red. Okay. So when this happens like this, price action is going to come down just a little bit more like this, like this, like this, like this. And then what's going to happen?
you're going to have. Can I draw this out any more specifically for you all? If I can, I am not a good artist. Sorry. And then we're going to wait for this. We're going to wait for the orange line to do this right here, like this. And then we're going to see something happen. We're going to see this turn into green. I wish someone would take my word on this. See when this happens. This will happen. And then you're going to see this right here. And then you're going to see your entrance somewhere around there. And then you're going to see it go up like that. And then what you're going to see is this right here. I know people are like, he's insane. He's drawing out the whole fucking trade before it ever happened. Yep, this is what it's going to do. It's going to come up here. Then you're going to have this line come across here like this. And then you're going to see this come up here like this. And then you're going to see this histogram bars right here do this. Now, is this specific enough for everybody? Is this fucking specific enough to tell you what it's going to do? Then, of course, you have your signal line, which means nothing. Don't ask me about it. It's going to do this right here, something like that there. It's going to cross it and fill that gap in. And that's what you're going to wait for. This is everything. Now, if you want me to draw it out on the 4 hour, I will, but I prefer not to do that. Is this clear what's going to happen for AVGO? When this happens, take the trade. Until this happened, I wouldn't take a buy stop. But when this happens, this is what I would take the trade for. Okay. Adam. Good morning, Tony Plesh. Awesome. Love the portion sizes. Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, Kim. Makes the best candles. Good morning, Tony. Adam. Good morning, Kevin. Locked and loaded with my renewal. Can't believe as many. I know, Adam. Isn't that crazy how time flies? Welcome back, Adam, and thank you for being here, Adam, and all of your support. Please type out yes if everything I just drew out for Don makes sense on Avgo. How I went from weekly, daily to daily, 4 hour to 4 hour to 1 hour. I wouldn't enter the trade unless it's a 4 hour, 1 hour that looks like that. Please type yes. All right, let's see this one. Which is why I followed you. I'd like to become friends and be a fan if you don't mind. No, we're not doing that shit. Get the fuck out of here. Get out. Come in here with your bullshit. Yes, clear. Yes, Mike Snyder. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Mischief clear. Don, you're the best. God bless you and your family. Oh, thanks, Don. God bless you too. And really, I hope you heal up good, Don. I hope everyone sends healing prayers to Don. Okay, so that's how you trade that. And that's what I would look for. I think that's as clear as I can draw something. Please, though, I hope someone out there calls me on this one. Say, hey, bullshit, it didn't do it. It might not do it for a while, by the way. The hourly takes a long time, but I think it's going to do it. You're going to see it in sooner than later. And if it doesn't do it, yeah. If it just goes straight up, well, sorry. Went straight up. My bad. All right. So that's that. What was the other one he wanted? Fuck. It was Avgo and, hold on. It was Avgo and Don. Oh, hell. I don't remember. Brian Claus kicking ass. TVB, JPY, Dell. He wanted Dell. All right, let me see Dell. Oh, thank you. There's Dell. All right, let's look at Dell and see what's going on with Dell. Dell. I'm not a big fan of their computers, but whatever. Dell. Here we go. Dell, weekly, daily. Dell. Fuck. They don't have enough. I can wing it. Buy stop on your weekly. Yep. Love it. Daily. Interesting mess of a day. Why is this so weird looking? Still a buy. Yeah, it's good. A little iffy on the daily. The weekly doesn't have enough for a blue line, but I can guesstimate where it is. It's filling the gap. I'd play any weekly buy stop. And this isn't going to be as strong. I'm not as big as fan as this one until this green touches the yellow.
You could have already and should have already gotten in right here. It's going to go up though. Pink still has to come up. The daily blue still has to come up. It's already crossed here though. Let me see this. So again, everybody pay attention. When I'm reading these charts that I haven't seen or anything, I usually do a little more detailed talk about it. How much time we have? We have time. Okay. But yeah, we don't have, the problem is there's not enough history to pull up the blue line over here on the weekly. That's bullshit. The pink has been crossed, so that's your entry. Should have been right down here. I do love this fill in the gap, and we do have the gap, but it's interesting that it's still not up. This is a concern to me with this red right here. So what I'm going to do is pop around a little bit. Let me just pop around on here and see what the 3-week looks like. Yeah. Why is Dell doing? Why the fuck? When was this? Why was Dell doing so good? June the 3rd, 2024. What is this? I thought Dell sucked. Let's see, 6 months, nothing. Weekly, nothing. 3 month, nothing. Monthly was a buy stop. Yeah, it's a beautiful buy stop. 3 week. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at what it was, and I'll go into what it is. This is a monthly, was it? And then 3 week. Okay, look. Gorgeous. Now, we don't have all our blue lines and everything. We have to assume we don't have a real direction bar, so we have to guesstimate. But the monthly 3-week buy stop was fantastic. Now, why Dell is going up, I don't know if it's earnings, whatever bullshit they're trying to tell you, but there was a 3-week monthly buy stop that's just perfect. You can see it, fill in the gap, blah, 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 blah. Everything's there, everything. So why is that? Now, what is it too high away right now for it to continue? Let's see. Daily buy, probably perhaps when I'm getting a little negative connotation on this daily. It's very good on the weekly. Let me see that monthly again. Did it bounce? It looks like it bounced. It did. Okay, so it did bounce. Should have got in down here at 111. What's it at? It's at like 124, $13. Yeah, it's not terribly over yet. Fuck. All right, fine. This is what you really want me to call. I'll call this shit for you. Let me go over here to daily. Yeah, you can do this trade. That's fine. We can do this trade. All right. So we have a clear-cut buy stop, weekly, daily. You can take the trade. It's right off its daily right here. For some reason, I'm getting this feeling on this one that this is what it's going to do. It may not do a double because it's already did this and this, but I just have a feeling it's going to do this right here, hook up, come back down a little, and then do its hook up. This is a concern because this real direction bar hasn't flipped to green yet on the one. It may not. It might just shoot straight up. I don't know. That's how, if you want to be conservative, wait for the daily to redo this buy stop right here. It just has that feeling to me that that's what that's going to do. I just have that feeling that's what it's going to do. I think it's going to dip a little bit more down. Yeah, I just do. So whatever on that, but this is how I view it. It goes like this, like that, like this, like that. It may not. It may just take straight off again. If you're going to force me to make this call, I'm going to go down to the daily then, and I want to see the daily 4 hour before I make a call. See, you kind of missed the 4 hour, again. And the daily isn't good. See, the daily's too low. We got to wait for that to come back up. 4 hour. No, so you can't even do a 4 hour. Fuck. Hourly buy, hourly. Well, then we're down to the 15-minute. And that's not going to be a pretty, yeah. See, it's an hourly 15-minute. Yeah, you can do an hourly 15-minute buy on this one. You kind of missed a few of them already, but that's still good. Hourly 15-minute buy, Dell. You can take it till the hourly pink line goes up and touches this blue, or until this gap is filled in right here. So that's one way to trade Dell. I'm sorry, it's an hour 15 minutes, not much higher, but it would be sufficient. That'll work.
Now, the daily, the weekly, the weekly's almost there, the daily. Yeah. I would let this reload again. Let me see again. I don't know. Yeah, that daily concerns me. Weekly's coming. Yeah, play. Okay, we already got a buy stop. So the 1 hour, 15-minute buy stop play. Then play any other buy stop until, and this is the best we got. Just run off the weekly. The daily, not a fan. I'm not a fan. The blue line's already hooked. I think it's going to see how it hooked and came back down again. I don't like that movement. I would leave it right here. Play any buy stops on Dell until you see this line come all the way back up here. And I called one out for you, the 1 hour, 15-minute, and then you can play any others you find. So yeah, it's a concern to me when I look at this that the monthly is so far away. It is very much a concern. Not saying it can't continue. It just bounced off its orange. I mean, the 3 months even worse. The 3 months isn't even close. See this dip down there? It's always better to catch these higher time frame ones when you can validate it on the higher one on the orange. See, that's not terribly bad. I would feel comfortable with those 1 hour, 15-minute buys. They're not long. You won't be sucked into them. You can hold them on the weekly till it goes up. I don't know. That's how I'd read Dell. I like Costco better. I like the other ones better, but it's a good trade. It's just not where I'm seeing things I like. That's all. A couple of things. Dell caught another live, and yes, wow, a super detailed call. Thanks, Harris. What's up, Harris? I always like Harris. Such a good attitude. I want him to retire so bad. Got to get him retired. They are into AI too now. AI now, Kev AI. That's funny. So they're into AI. Okay, that's why Dell's doing what they're doing. Then yeah, you can hold the trade too, Don. You can hold it until the weekly goes up. I don't have a problem with that. As a matter of fact, if they're into that AI shit, you might be able to see this thing go higher than here. You might be able to see it go higher than its center line right here, if that helps you. So yeah, just play. But if you could just play your 1 hour, say a 1 hour, 15-minute or a 4 hour, 1 hour, and you could repeatedly play those on the way up, then yeah, definitely do that because that's a much simpler, safer trade than I'm concerned of that. The real direction bar should not look like that. It just shouldn't. I don't get it. Yeah. This shouldn't be red right now. That is an odd on a daily like that. That's just odd. See the 12-hour too. It's just like it's pulling up out of that. 7 hours a little better. I guess just 4 hours. Yeah, see the 4 hours and be perfect. So yeah, it's not bad. It's good. It's a good play. Yeah, it's fine. You're welcome, Don. Thank you for being here. All right. Anybody else have any more symbols? We have a little more time, about 17 minutes to market open. I'm going to pull back over to the three indices at 923. I'll make a gold call out at 923. So we have a little bit of time. Hey, something fell. Hold on a second. What fell? Yep, we need some tape. I really want to see if that detailed drawing I did comes true. I'm going to laugh so fucking hard if it does. I love it. Bet you $1,000,000 it does, though. All right. Any other symbols you guys want me to call out before we flip over to US 30, NAS, and SPX and start making some detailed money? Detailed. Brian Claus made us shit tons of money on NAS today and SPX and US 30 with his 1 minute call out. He did fantastic with that call out. It was perfection what he called. And look, we're getting a little dip. Are we down to the 5 minute one yet? No. You can play any sell stop you want up to the 5 minute until the 5 minute gets a little bit closer. I can see it going all the way down to there on NAS. I don't know about SPX. I don't know about US 30. If you don't want to do the sell on NAS, then I would look for the 1 hour buy stop NAS at market open. US 30 needs to get lower. Can't call it. Maybe 15 minute. Nope, needs to come lower. SPX, kind of maybe. 1 hour. That's right there. It is a 1 hour buy stop. First of all, 1 hour buy stop, all three indices. The better of the three that I like is NAS. NAS, buy stop. Da 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 da. All right. Any questions before? Oh. Give me just a second there. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Uncle Ben. Uncle Benny. Oh, Uncle Ben. Well, okay, where were we? It's called MicroStrategy. MSTR. Boy, Don just loves these. Don, I think Don's at home just like playing on the charts all day long, which would be very nice to do for all of you. MicroStrategy, sure. I see a 1 hour buy stop immediately. 1 hour buy stop, MicroStrategy, but let's see for real now. When there, daily. A little lower, missed the down. You missed the bottom. You missed it had bad earnings, by the way, and it went straight up. Let's look at this. It had bad earnings and went straight up. It had bad earnings and went straight up. They're funny. My God, they have no explanation for that. Weekly, daily. You missed the weekly. I'd play any buy stop you can on MicroStrategies until the weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue. Right now, it's not low enough on the pink to call it. So that's all we can do. So let's, if we go from daily to 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour, nope. So we're going to do a 4 hour. It's a 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop. Like I happened to luck out on that. Yep. 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop. MicroStrategies. Hold the trade down until this weekly
pink line finishes going up to the blue. It is. See, this is your problem too. Now you're just mistimed this one a little bit, once, twice, three times. This, in my opinion, is terribly too far away from the orange. This is filling in the gap already. I have a feeling you're going to see this daily hook down, and then the weekly will eventually do another weekly daily buy. What that means, it'll look just like this right here. Doop, doop. You're going to see anytime, watch, see when this was at its bottom, there was this. I would like to see, but this is really going to take some time for you to get to. I would really like to see this come down, the blue line come down, not this pink one. Let me get the blue. The blue line come down like this. Then I'd like to see this over here turn red. This is me. This is what I would like to see. This turn red. And then you're going to see price action come back down like this. Then it will hook and come up. I would kind of wait for that, but if you don't want to wait, 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop, micro strategies. What's up? Who is this? Baron Neil? We'll call him Bear. What's up, Bear? New member here, just bought the base system and going through onboarding. Sounds like you might have bought that through an affiliate of ours. We don't do onboarding, but okay. But welcome here. Thank you, Mike, for welcoming him. Thank you, Blue Tide Acrylics, for welcoming him. Adam, thank you for welcoming him. Yep. My best advice to you, Baranil, is to go back, watch at least the last 20 live YouTube videos, at least the last 20 of them, and watch them thoroughly multiple times, and then keep rewatching them. About 9 minutes to market open. I'm going to switch over to US 30 now, NAS and SPX only. Oh, can't wait. Oh, man, it's been a good morning. You guys got a lot of shit in here, boy. Got a whole bunch of great call outs. You made money from Brian Claus's great call on NAS and SPX. I'm calling buy stops on NAS. I want a little further pullback on US 30 for market open. We'll get it. It'll get it. We'll get it. Let's see. We'll go down to a 15-second over there. Go over to a 5-minute here. Yeah. You can keep playing these sell stops on NAS if you want, but I'm telling you, I favor strongly this 1 hour buy stop on NAS. I strongly favor it. You've made some money on the sells. That's fine. Just be careful at open. Lock in your profit. It may continue to go down. That'd be fucking awesome. I wanted to go down at fucking PPI. I didn't do it. So if we can get a little bigger pullback down on thing, we'll take it. US 30 has to come down a little further. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching that. SPX also has to come down further. It's just not as good. NAS is in a much better position on the 1 hour. I just love this trade. Love it. Good morning, Neville. What's up, Neville? And read your rules. Okay, that's another good point. Follow your rules, just don't read the rules. Good morning, Kevin. Just woke up. Nice, LT. It must be nice to sleep in. No, you might be working hard. I don't know. We've made a lot of money. Brian Claus has called out a NAS buy stop that made, what was it, over 40 pips? I think it went well over 40, by the way, on NAS, SPX, and US 30. I made a few call outs myself. What do you know? We had some very good training. 7 minutes to market open, 7 minutes to market open. Let me see gold. This is usually the time I spot gold for you. Let's see. Gold. Here we go. We went over the sniper rifle. 15-second buy, 15-second buy. 10-second buy. Yes, we have no bananas. Yeah. I would do a 10-second buy on gold, 15-second buy on gold. Yep, like those. Let me see the NAS. Let me see the 3-minute. Nothing much there. Let me see the 15-minute buy. It's already happened. You kind of missed a little bit out on that. Okay, so this is exactly, to be clear, play any buy stop on gold until the daily pink line right here goes up and touches that blue line. So until 2 goes up to 1. Play any buy stop you can. And I just called out a couple of them for you. So there you go on gold. You're welcome. SPX, yeah, not much we can do there. We need that little dippy do. So we need a sell on SPX. We need a sell on US 30. And then I'm calling officially a buy on NAS. Buy on NAS. If you want to play any sell at all, you can look into this NAS going down to its 5-minute blue line. I don't know. Maybe so. Let me see US 30. Yeah, I just can't call that. Yeah, I'm not calling that either. The one call, if you want to try to trade it, would be that 5-minute. Play any 5-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute, 3-minute sell stops towards the 5-minute blue line of NAS. That's all I can do. Other than that, let's see what happens over the next several minutes. I'm so excited. Great point, Kevin. Follow the rules. No need to listen to that. According to your title, Keith has the cells coded and working on the sniper rifle. Correct. We went over that earlier, LT. Yes, sir. That is a correct statement. The great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Ha ha. And he's a good man. Even better. Oh, can't wait to get done. I'm going to crawl back into bed with Precious, cuddle up, get some snuggles in. Ain't no better feeling in the world than that. Well, one, but we can't get into that right now. Nice. And this would be really nice to see. This is what I would prefer to see at open. Let's see this go down either all the way to it or so. And then somewhere after open, somewhere between now and 10:30, we can see that little flip and pull back up. If it doesn't do it by then, it will do it at 2 to 2:30. But I think we can see it right there. So let's just hold this over here. Nice. Let's see if we can see. I'm not calling SPX a sell, not doing it. Can't call US 30 a sell, not doing it. The only one we're going to call a sell is this NAS. And this is Harish. He loved this 5-minute sell. It's actually in profit right now. Really good. You could be done with this trade if you listened to him. You could have been in up here somewhere and pulled this down here. Yeah, about 20, 25 pips. Perfect trade. I'd like it to go a little further. In the meantime, buy, stop, keep moving it down as it goes down. 20,224. Look. 3 minutes to market open. Look at the nice pullback. Congratulations. Where's he at? I don't know where he went. Harish. I can't ever say his name right. I'm so sorry. I apologize. But it's fantastic. Look at this nice little pull down right here. There we go. Let it keep going down. No. Let me see. Is this 15 seconds? Yeah. 15-second sell stop. Let me see. US 30. No, not calling it. The only one I'm calling a sell on at the moment is NAS towards its 5-minute blue line. Strictly looking for a buy on the hourly for US 30 and SPX and NAS. So let this go down a little bit further and then see what happens at open. Market open. Do not play market open. Do not trade market open. If you're going to trade it at all, demo trade only as always. If you're going to demo trade, lock in your demo profits as always. And then let's move because I'm going to be moving in quick. Harjit. Upal. MS3 looks like it's going to be up 5.5 on the opening. Oh, okay. MSTR. Nice. Again, I think Don holds his trades a lot longer. Nice. Look at your little pullback. Let me highlight him over there because he called this 5-minute out like fucking 2 hours ago. In nice profit. Again, I would close one trade, lock one trade in profit, and then let it run down. That's what I would do. Just keep letting it run down. In the meantime, buy stop 1 hour US 30, buy stop SPX 1 hour, buy stop NAS 1 hour. The problem comes in, we got to let this little 5-minute just finish. It's almost down to the bottom here. Almost there. It's not quite finished, but close. You can see the little blue line down there. So if you played this and you're already up 20, 30 pips, please don't play market open, which is going to happen any second now. 26 seconds to market open. Hopefully we see the finish of this pull down here. We can get in. Now, again, I'm going to be looking at SPX for a nice little buy. And then it looks like, is US 30 already up? Fuck. US 30 buy stop, I think, is in the money before market open. We'll hang out here at NAS and see what happens. Okay. Market open. Market open. There we go. Going back down to its 5-minute blue line perfectly. I'm not going to go in. US 30 in the money. US 30 in the money on the buy. US 30 in the money on the buy. US 30 in the money on the buy. Let this finish out on NAS, and you should be able to get back in on that one too. NAS, 1 hour buy stop. US 30, 1 hour in the money. Perfect play. SPX farting around. It usually does. Okay, let's see if I have just a couple minutes here. I can't stay too long after this. Let's see if we can get that touch. Excellent call out by Harjit for calling out the 5-minute sell on NAS. It's well more than I would lock in any profit you have on this. Lock it in. There you go. Now look at that. All the way down. Do we have a touch? Do we have a touchdown? Do we have a touchdown? Hold on. Got to zoom in a little. Not yet. Close enough. Look at that beautiful, almost touchdown. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Looks like your SPX is in the money too. I don't know if it touched. It might still go down and touch that, but buy stop off that blue line, like I called the 5-minute blue line. You're already in the money, by the way, to pull that back up. But I would just wait a little bit, be a little patient here. Gorgeous. Buy stop NAS 1 hour. Beautifully perfect call out by Harjit for the 5-minute sell. Perfectly called out 1-minute buy stop by Brian C. In the morning, earlier this morning on the buy on NAS. Harjit called this 5-minute sell. I'm calling for a 1 hour buy stop off of this. Let it keep going. It's got to finish this out a little bit. I don't think it touched. I just don't. I think it needs to come down a little bit further. But you're going to major money already. That movement up right here, just so we're clear, that bounce off of this right here to here, that's already 20 pips. You'd have made all kinds of money. I could have been out of that trade. Let's see what gold's doing. Hold on. Damn, gold, so close. Look at. So close. Gold within $6 of being profitable. $5 on Odds USD. Odds USD from the other day is up 100. Yesterday up 187. NAS is up 222 pips. Gold is up $154 an ounce. NAS is up 266 pips. I'm holding those trades, even though NAS is going down. I don't give two fucks. 1 hour buy stop NAS. I think I'm gonna have to go. I have to go. Yep, time has come. Fixed. Good morning. All right. I'm good. All right. Thank you, Mike, Mischief Maker. Yes, I do, Kevin. I'm here. Okay, cool. All right, TikTokers, got to run. God bless. Have a good day. Almost for surely won't be talking to you tonight or tomorrow morning. Me and Brie are going to have some fun. All right. YouTubers, God bless. Thank you all for being here. Be prepared for that one. Let this finish out to the 5-minute sell and then be prepared for the buy.